Are we Gucci? Looks like it, yeah. Check, check, check. Yes, sir. Okay, cool. Wrong date, actually. Oh, let's fix the date. So shout out to this. We got a song about 3 drives, right? We got a song about 3 drives. Let's turn this thing up while I get myself situated.
It's never love. They pop off, I press start. You see trend, I see time. 3 drives deep, then comes mine. Saw the first, didn't blink. Second push, chart, don't think. They call break, out I call bait. Draw that fib, then I wait. Candle stack, crowd gets loud. Top get chased, I move proud. No rush, no need to guess. 3rd drive hit, I clean that mess. She said that reversal, I said watch. So lined up like a gold wristwatch. One last whip, then the whole thing flip. They scream trend, I just let that rip. I wait for the 3rd drive. First 2 bait, 3rd one dive. They all long, I let them hype. Then I load up, zone a snipe. 3 taps, it's never love. They pop off, I press up. You see trend, I see time. Tick. 3 drives deep, then comes mine. Pen too old, they still miss. They want heat, I want bliss. She said how you chill mid-move. I said I map this candle groove. Every impulse got a script. Every fake out got a twist. Every setup got a grave. And 3rd drive, dig it slick. Chart roll slow, but the wrist not low. He jumped in, I let it go. Whip came up, then snap below. 3 strikes hitting, now they know. Not the first, not the second. Wait for it. That 3rd one kills.
Also, that's streaming. Need to fix that. It doesn't work properly. Not to work properly, unfortunately.
I wait for the 3rd drive. First 2 bait, 3rd one dive. They all on, I let them hype. Then I load up, so no snipe. 3 taps, it's never luck. They pop off, I press start. You see trend, I see time. 3 drives deep, then comes mine. You got 1 drive early. Again. Marcos. First move.
Leave it on this.
Fake view.
Lower it a bit. Actually, you know what? Actually, just go to the receipts first. Yeah, let's go to the receipts, which are overlay real quick. What did we say? What did we say? As per usual, right? First of all, actually, first and fucking foremost, shout out to the yellow lines, right? Shout out to the yellow lines. Shout out to the math. Ba-bing, ba-bing. Right? Shout out to the yellow lines as per usual. Bing, 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 bing. As per usual. Then we'll go to some of the receipts from yesterday, yeah? First, what did we talk about in terms of this? What did we say? What did we say? Let's just ooh, pause the music, yeah? Anyways, the whole point is, are we going to put in a high or low? Yes. At the 0.5, yes. And then we're doing one of these at the value area low, at our yellow line. And if you know, you fucking know, right? If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Just saying. Bing, bing, right at the 0.5. Bing, bing. Right? We'll talk about this. Yeah, talk about the short up here, or nah, or nah, or nah. You tell me. You tell me. Short opportunities up here too. We do start to go up, right? Here, like all these zones, etc. Got your free roll up here as well, yeah. Blah blah blah. Anyways, enough of our random useless receipts. Future is here. When you stream early, I always log on. Cool juice for me today. Interesting. What juice do you have for me? I would love some nice juice. Love it. I'm not streaming too long though, because I'm gonna go to the gym at 4, but then I'll stream later in the evening as well. So probably, and that's not a guarantee actually, but probably. But probably. Okay, that's all good. Also, I blew up. Literally, my speakers blew up last night. Literally blew up. So I bought a new sound Amazon immediately. Doesn't come until Monday though. Feels bad. Feels bad. Added to the long, by the way. Nothing has changed from yesterday aside from adding to the long. That was occurring in the morning. Same TPs as before, yeah. Pressure TP'd here, looking back. Pressure had TP here, but I'm kind of greeting like the full day rotation. So still have it here, here, and then up there. Also close out the short. That's the other thing. Close out the short. So right now we are kind of on short lookout duty. Are we gonna do one of these in the reverse now? Or not? Or not? Let's see if we can get it before I go to the gym or not. Future is here.
Value area high, I timed that trap. They got hit, full size drop. I didn't speak, I just watched. You don't see it when it's quiet. You only feel it when it breaks. Me, I move like a shadow. You move when you should. No chase, no stress. Stop, got tap, now they clean that mess. Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Just place that level market, did the rest. You got response. That's what happened when you rush.
Okay, let's get caught up on everything that we missed. I did go to the mall begrudgingly. 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 Also looking at render, we're waiting for render right now to see what's going on over here, yeah? It's kind of doing the same thing. Right? Bing, 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 bing. Is it gonna hold the VWAP in the golden pocket or nah? Or nah? Or nah? Is it gonna reclaim this monthly level or nah? Also, good decision to get out of the alt trades that we were in. Yeah, all of them ended up rolling over. So we would have round tripped all of them if we didn't close out. Definitely had some luck on our side yesterday with that near thing. I view that as good karma though, right? Good karma. So that is good karma. I have to do two. If we're gonna stream the exo charts, first of all, I need to figure out if it's even allowed to be streamed. They might ban my ass. Second of all, I have to make a way to make the numbers legible. So I'm curious if streaming on my other monitor and like 4K resolution will resolve that problem. And also, they don't update properly. So I have to figure out a way to do that. But if anyone that was watching it, then you saw there was like some massive $40 million short opened. Where right here. So far he's juicing, but interesting. We'll see if that starts to get moved against or not. There's also a massive long on, where was it? Let me just load these up. Because there was a massive short on Bybit and there was a massive long on Binance somewhere, I think it was. So remember what contract? What contract was it?
Dashline
Did
yellow.
not want to do that.
They say it's fake. Till they liquidate. Marcos.
Imaginary lines, that's what they say. What? Till price tap twice and fades away. They pressing heat, I mark in gray. Chalk out hard, I paint that play. Dash line glow, they call it luck. Price bounce clean, they stuck in muck.
Y'all got any questions? Y'all got any questions? If not, I'm about to just nerd out real quick.
And they still mad at imaginary lines.
We got to nerd out.
Price it once, then double dip. Line from Monday still
Well, I'm exhausted. I ended up being awake until like 6 in the morning.
yellow dash with silent threat. I don't
So,
withdraw, I place and let. You post vibes, I post fills. You chase breakouts.
quite the long night that ended up being.
They called it glitch. Next move came, I got rich.
Barely even slept. Slept like 2 hours maybe. 3. Being generous. Where is this alone? Where is this alone? Yeah, I was on Binance. This guy is open here. Okay. 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 Anyway, seems like okay. This massive short is still chilling, but here there are a bunch of shorts that are underwater. But we'll see how this resolves itself, because there's also a bunch of longs that open like right here. So if we start to roll over, situation changes. Let's check on the order flow. How's the order flow looking? Okay. Okay.
Imaginary lines, that's what they say. Till price tap twice and fades away. They pressing heat, I mark in gray. Chart got art, I paint that play. Dash line glow, they call it luck. Price bounce clean, they stuck in muck. I don't draw dreams, I chart design. And they still mad at imaginary lines. You called it fake. But you got stopped.
What is that?
Pixel perfect. The math is the math. Marcos.
She bounced once, he pressed twice. Stop gone.
1098. 1098. A lot of high leverage liquidations right here. Be mindful of that. Be mindful of that. After that, it's 110.1. 10 up at the go right in the golden. So basically, this region, right? Obviously, it makes sense. All the wicks are right here, so makes sense, right? Don't even gotta look at it to know. The downside, the nearest ones are at 106.8. Basically the lows. Okay. And in terms of this red box, has this changed at all? 105. No. Okay, cool. Okay, we're caught up. We are caught up. Data has been ingested into my brain. Let's just check the CVDs across the exchanges. We'll be done. Get to yapping. Don't need this anymore. What did I just delete? That. Don't need this. Don't need this. Let's extend this thing. Shout out to the math, right? Shout out to the math. We talked about this perfectly. Bing, bing, bing. Hopefully you guys are following the script, right? Following the script. Because now I'm just giving that show for free. Just giving out the script for free. Market makers might take my ass out. Hunt me down. Larry Fink hunting down ya boy. Hitting them with the motherfucking math. I fucking love this song. Run that back.
She bounced once. He pressed twice. Stop gone. Marcos.
Yeah, I got 'em, no chase, no stress. Stock got tapped, now they clean that mess. Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Just place that level, market did the rest. You got, now you tweets and regrets. I sip slow, I collect these sets. You on hype, I want that depth. I don't blink, I prep then step. Late night zone, marked in gold. Candle touch, then story fold. You said breakout, I said trap. Price came back, you took that slap. Watch your chart, all full of lines. None of them real, none of them mine. Mine just sit, breathe like silk. Yours just scream, mine just built. They press green, I press calm. They want rush, I want charm. They want loud, I want plan. You want moon, I hold land. Yeah, I got 'em, no chase, no stress. Stop, got
I should have gone to this. I woke up in the middle of the night and I looked at this chart. I was just taking a piss. And when it was here, I wanted to market smash it, but I was like, no, like, let's not do this half asleep, no data. Missed out on a move though.
I don't blink, I prep then step back.
Might have been before I even went to bed.
I don't flinch. You felt FOMO, I felt inch. Entry slow, exit rich. You saw wick, I saw switch. You want flash, I want rhythm. You want now, I plot with wisdom. They rush in, they don't survive. I plant lines, mine come up live. POC shift, I lean back. Value area high, I timed that trap. They got hit, full size drop. I didn't speak, I just watch. You don't see it when it's quiet. You only feel it when it break. Too late. Me, I move like a shadow. Yeah. You move when it shake. Yeah, I got 'em, no chase, no stress. Stop, got tap, now they clean that mess. Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Just place that level, market did the rest. You got.
Interesting.
That's what happened when you rush. You got. I just faded with a hush. I stay ready. You stay loud. You caught feeling. I caught feels. Marcos.
How many of my speakers blew up like that yesterday? That's fucking crazy. Blew up. So many things I run a little too hard. Probably have to wait to get like a retest of the golden pocket to get in these if we're gonna get in any of these. The peanut one hasn't really run yet though. So it looks exactly the same as render.
Luxury paranoia, I sip while you scream. I don't chase that pump, I fade that dream. Your bag too loud, your chart too green. My entry chill, my zone too clean. Smoke from the wick, I seen that fake. Mass head stall and profit break. You prayed up, I stayed mad. Now I'm cruising slow with the city black. VY pulled out, rotate like Delta leaning, I fade that spike. They want thrill, I want the plan. You want rush, I want the scan. I've been trading high, puffing loud, math in place. You still guessing wrong, I'm still ghosting every space. They chase with, I fade the high, top shelf gas, that logic fly. I'll be trading high,
Interesting.
and they stressing low. One feel hit, now my profit grow.
Tap this negative point of control, sweep this level. Now it's kind of doing one of these things. Interesting.
I glide with time.
Mindful of that.
I smoke calm, but the feels confess. You post charge,
Stacks.
post that task, RS,
Stacks,
I cook, I
stacks,
fade, I
stacks.
follow. You trade pain, I trade hollow. You high on hope, I'm high on stats. Your move swing, I count the tracks. You call run, I call revert. You press screen, I plan to hurt. TP smack and I don't react, just lean back with the logic pack. This top shelf, not just in raps. I hit zones while you collapse. Caught feeling, I caught feel, caught smoke, I roll man. You stay loud, I stay loud, and let's win. I've been trading high, puffing loud, math in place. You still guessing wrong, I'm still ghosting every space. They chase with, I fade the high, top shelf gas, that logic fly. I'll be trading high, and they stressing low. One feel hit, now my profit grow. No luck, no lies, that clean design. You panic fast, I glide with time.
Interesting. Jupiter kind of doing like a 3 drives at the monthly level. Like not really, but okay. Stacks, Jupiter, and I think Whiff, probably like the 3 we'll look at. Jupiter, Whiff. Because Whiff is doing the same thing.
Chart too clean.
Last time I checked. This thing just swings all pattern, this garbage. Did you get all of it? Not really.
Yeah, I marked it hella sharp. Char was loud, I played it smart. They went hype, I went calm. Now I'm dancing on that feel like art. Fibonacci, here's that line. Price
Okay.
came in right on time. You want pump, I want range. You chase green, I chase gains.
Feeling hella good, feeling hella right. TP hit the zone, now I'm dancing through the night. Feeling hella clean, feeling hella sharp. Mark that trade at 10, now I'm parked inside the chart.
Just, do we want to get in on this thing? Want to get in on this thing? Want to garbage the clean and we'll 3-test the VWAP at the 382.
Feeling hella good, feeling hella right. TP hit the zone, now I'm dancing through the night. Feeling hella clean, feeling hella sharp. Mark that trade at 10, now I'm parked inside that chart.
No stress, just that. No chase, just that. They guess, I laugh. Feeling sharp, feeling Marcos.
Feeling hella good, feeling hella right. TP hit the zone, now I'm dancing through the night. Feeling hella clean, feeling hella sharp. Mark that trade at 10, now I'm parked inside that chart.
Future is here. Winter is here. What do we do with this? Stokes about to reset too. I mean, as far as imaginary lines on a chart go, a lot of them are lining up. So maybe cleans this a wick right here and just bet bank goes.
Said it's fake till price came kissing that dash. Pixel hit, no wick, just flash. Didn't react, just let it pass. Imaginary
They're already diverging too.
call it voodoo, now they gas. I stay silent, still outclass. Jar was dark, line still glowed. Dashing yellow script I wrote. Didn't draw that for the show. Prices came and hit it cold. I don't flinch, I don't speak. What came back, tapped it weak. Feel so clean, they call it cheat. Truth too sharp, they missed the peak. Overnight hit while I slept. Alarm said feel no second guess. They call dream, I call map. I place edge, they play stress. Till price came kissing that dash. Pixel hit, no wick, just flash. Didn't react, just
Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that?
imaginary lines, but they always bounce like mad. Called it voodoo, now they gas. I stay silent, still outclass.
Lineman this and last we closed, still untouched like frozen pros. They say random, I said coded, now it taps, stop exploded, no motion, just routine. I sip slow, charts they clean. They want chaos, I want flame. They want green, I want game. Visual sharp, that yo scar. Play so far, yeah, not bizarre. Seen too much to doubt that sign. They get wrecked, I realize.
Trail lines for likes. I draw them to win. You pray price obeys you. I know where it's been. Marcos. Said it's fake till price came kissing that dash.
It's a pretty important level being flipped right now.
React, just let it pass. Imaginary lines, but they always bounce like mad. Called it voodoo, now they
I
gas.
think a little late on this one though, and the negative point of control here is making me a little sus. Suspicious.
Imaginary to them. Precise to
We'll leave an alarm for now
math is the math.
on this sweep.
Still blaze, still blaze, still
We have alarms on the rest, yes?
Still blazing, yet loud on fire. But my levels hold clean, no liar. I don't stress, I just chart with ease. Math got me floating, profits breathe. Still faded, still hit that zone. Ops press buttons, I press the stone. They work hard, I let it align. He chase charts, I follow the sign.
Top shelf flame, same pack as last. Chop move slow, I'll move past. No overthink, just let it top. Line too clean, they fall in trap. She said, you even focus now? I said, watch this wick come down. And it did like it always do. Draw that mark, let the trade come through. No bots, no stress, no noise. Just smooth entries, grown man poise. They draw clouds, I draw precision. Highs the sky, still making
Still
decision.
blazing, yeah, the loud on fire. But my levels hold clean, no liar. I don't stress, I just chart with it.
Getting filled on this one would have been nice, yeah. Getting half orders down all throughout the zone would have been nice.
Still faded, still hit that zone. Ops
Why should this make another move lower
press the stone.
or not?
They work hard, I let it align. He chase charts, I follow the
We do have obviously like 3 drives going on here, but there's gonna be pretty big bear divs to start to go up.
I don't rush, she roll one, I just lean back. TP TP hit while I count that stack. Stop loss hit that wasn't mine. I don't guess I trace design. Still too high.
How's the rest of the day looking on this thing?
When I press that mark, you see stress, I see rhythm. You play odds, I play system. You chase gold, I'm in digits. Or while vibing.
I believe we would have market smashed this swing fill pattern, to be honest. Right here, just about bang, smash that bitch when as soon as it closed.
Still blazing, yeah, loud on fire. But my levels hold clean, no liar.
Little late. I want to do another risky thing like we did with Nier yesterday. I was a little stupid. I want to repeat the same stupid mistake. Even though we got graced by the market gods on that one. Who the fuck?
Still Marcos.
Don't see him, but price keep touching. Dash that line, then detonate. Marcos, dash line yellow, bounce too clean. Pixel tap twice, now they call it scheme. Said it ain't real, chart said please. Price don't lie, it hit my keys. Dash line ghost, still got weight. Chart come back like I set that fate. No fib, no tool, no glow, just space. But it hit 3 times like I own that place. Line too light, but the impact heavy. They draw clouds, I move steady. You wait for break, I mark the cause. Price hit me, then hit pause. You post zones, I post traps. You watch prints, I run maps. They call fake, I call flash. You chase highs, I draw dash. Main girl watching, said hi no. I said it's math, not ego. They think chaos, I see cold. You call hope, I call low. Dash line yellow, bounce too clean. Pixel tap twice, now they call it scheme. Said it ain't real, chart said please. Price don't lie, it hit my keys. Dash line ghost, still got weight. Chart come back like I said that fate. No fib, no tool, no glow, just space. But it hit 3 times like I own that place. Wig so tight, it brushed my mark. Entry hit like a sniper spark. You drop bias, I drop math. You use bots, I use wrath. Midday bounce, they call it fluke. I chalked that up when the week was new. Line been dashed since Tokyo open. Price came back like I knew who wrote it. No back test, just blood and logic. They hit by, I hit exotic. Price reversed like I flipped the plot. Not a thesis drown while I let mine pop. They said draw less, I said plot smarter. They call it imaginary, but the stops don't. Dash line yellow, bounce too clean. Pixel tap twice, now they call it scheme. Said it ain't real, chart said please. Price don't lie, it hit my keys. Dash line ghost, still got weight. Chart come back like I said
Did against the
that fate.
AI
No fib,
16
no glow,
Z1.
just space, but it hit 3 times like I own that place. They don't believe.
Let's see if we can get our stop at break even on this thing.
Imaginary. Then why'd it bounce? Marcos! Marcos! Marcos.
Should we do the math correctly on this? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
they press. I flow. Marcos.
I've been trading high, but fill out math in place. You still guessing
I'll calculate our break even on this thing.
chase wick. I fade the hype. Top show gas. The logic flight. I be trading high, and they stressing low. One fill hit. Now my profit grow. No luck, no lies. That clean design. You panic fast.
I believe that. I'm gonna go some more water now. I'm gonna get caught up on some of this laptop data. Get these all opened up and prepared.
Trading high, puffing loud, math in place. You still guessing wrong.
1099, 1099. Make a point of control right up here as well. Interesting. Interesting. Definitely short, potentially brewing up here. Also a long weekend though. It's a long weekend. I mean, maybe we do sweep this stuff without see me on, right? Grab the highs. I'm suspicious, but
post that task RS I cooked. I fade, not follow you, trade pain. I trade hollow, you high on hope. I'm high on stats, your move swing. I count the tracks, you call run. I call revert, you press green.
Okay.
Plan the hurt, TP smack.
We'll be back. We'll be back. I think we're Gucci on this thing.
Not just in raps, I hit zones while you collapse. You call feelings, I call feels. You call smoke, I roll math. You stay loud, I stay last, and last wins. I've been trading high, puffing loud, math in place. You still guessing wrong, I'm still ghosting every space. They chase with, I fade the hype. Top shelf gas, that logic flight. I be trading high, and they stressing low. One fill hit, now my profit grow. No luck, no lies, that clean design. You panic fast, I glide with time. No thrill, no rush, just numbers and top shelf. The math is the math. Marcos.
You make noise, I make moves. Levels don't talk, but they speak when I fuck. He got price too clean. Touch that line, then fade off screen. I don't shout, I set that scene. One small move, now he off the team. Levels move quiet, but the damage loud. Wick tap once and I exit proud. They talk hype, I trade that cloud. He got, now he lost in doubt. You chase heat, I just breathe. Trade too calm, but it still leave grief. Zone so soft, he ain't even see till price whip back like a blacked out Jeep. I sip slow, chart play cool. Set that mark like I bend that rule. She said Marcos, how you always know? I said line too clean, price always show. One touch light, then the whole thing fall. He drew fibs, I just drew wall. 3 pip range, he still got smoked. Top got long, then the chart revoked. He got price too clean. Touch that line, then fade off screen. I don't shout, I set that scene. One small move, now he off the team. Levels move quiet, but the damage loud. Wick tap once and I exit proud. They talk hype, I trade that cloud. He got, now he lost in doubt. I don't guess I trace that flow. You see impulse, I see control. Zone too cold, but the math feel warm. She said, how'd you flip that storm? I don't blink, I just align. Chart don't ask it, just comply. They pop off, I pop my trade. One quick flick and the game got played. Luxury move, but the hand too sharp. You chase trend, I trade that spark. TP tagged and I'm back to peace. He got clipped, I left no crease. No alarms, no flash, no chase. Just one zone and the whole thing breaks. He fought safe, but the risk too fake. Now we cry lost, but the move too late. He got price too clean. Touch that line, then fade off screen. I don't shout, I set that scene. One small move, now he off the team. Levels move quiet, but the damage loud. Wick tap once and I exit proud. They talk hype, I trade that cloud. He got, now we lost in doubt.
It ain't noise that moves price. Silence. Marcos.
Shout out to the math, right? Everything going exactly, literally exactly as we talked about yesterday. Just saying, right? Stick to the plan, follow the script, print racks. Boom, 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 boom. Stick to the script. Y'all any questions or not? Cause I'm about to nerd out on my laptop for a little bit. Nerd out. Leave some music playing and just vibe out for a bit.
I'm still winning Marcos.
High off man, still hit that zone. Out of my lungs, but the line got known. Youthful setup, still can't perform. I'm half awake and I still transform. I flow charts while you chase pain. You draw hype, I draw game. Ash on desk, trade hit clean. Top shelf move with the edge unseen.
So you have to get a new sound system though, right? New speakers, I guess.
Laptop open, she roll one.
We've got an even better sub than I used to have. And this thing still works. It's just the actual speakers that blew up. Fuckers blew up on my ass.
You clock charts, I watch vibes, still hit better with half a high. She said
Blew up on my ass.
I said math and lemon lime. Hey,
high off man, still hit that zone. Out of my lungs, but the line got known. Youthful self, still can't perform. I'm half awake and I still transform. I flow charts while you chase pain. You draw hype, I draw gain. Ash on desk, trade hit clean. Top shelf move with the edge unseen. No alert, I just felt it breathe. She like flame while price retreat.
I don't rush, I just align. He force trades, I watch mine. Sharp still move, I draw last week. You trade news,
Close above the golden pocket, or no? We're not. We're not. Some suspicious wicks up here, yeah? How's the order book looking?
Ghost and vision. Roll that pack while levels hit. He got wrecked, I barely lit.
Stress don't help, but the numbers do. You overthink, I just flow through.
High off man, still hit that zone. Out of my lungs, but the line got known. Youthful setup, still can't perform. I'm half awake and I still transform. I flow charts while you chase pain. You draw hype, I draw gain. Ash on desk, trade hit clean. Top shelf move with the edge unseen. Loud.
This has swept the level. Why is it on this layout?
Yeah, top shelf, man. Mid-trade elevation. Marcos.
I'm trading high, top shelf lit. Matt so clean, can't fake this hit. You still stressing, I don't
About to.
switch up, mark that zone and let it rip. Yeah, I'm trading high, smoke that field. Screen turn red, I just stay still. They beg hope, I trust that skill. You want vibe, want skill. Top flow mode, I fade with grace. V-wop hold outside my place. Arts I flash, I slow that pace. Delta dry, ghost that chase. Smoking loud, why they panic? Chart look wild, I move mechanic. They want moon, I want range. You want fame, I want change. TP hit, I sip my win. You press buttons, I press within. They caught wick, I caught edge. They caught noise, I caught legs. I'm trading high, top shelf lit. Math so clean, can't fake this hit. You still stressing, I don't twitch, just mark that zone, then let it rip. Yeah, I'm trading high, smoke that field. Screen turn red, I just stay still. They beg hope, I stack skill. Pull up slow in that Met V12. You max loan and you pray for help. I pull back, I weigh that shell. You gamble blind, I'm plotting dwell. Candle spike, they think that run. I see trap, they see fun. I hit TP clean, no mess. Mapping tight, I don't guess. You caught FOMO, I caught zone. You hit size, I hit tone. You want hype, I want plan. You want fast, I want stand.
World coin. We're looking for world coin. Where's open interest on this bitch?
I don't need flash, just fair. I don't need hope, just stay. I'm in trading high, top shelf lit. Man so clean, can't fake this hit. You still stressing, I don't twitch, just mark that zone and let it rip. Yeah, I'm trading high, smoke that field. Screen turn red, I just stay still. They beg hope, I stack skill. You want vibes, I won't kill.
Huge long shot close on this bitch. Okay, okay.
I'm still elevate.
How's the math looking on this?
No emotion. Just man. Marcos.
I'm getting a little sus over here though, yeah. I'm looking at a little sus. we are building value up here, kind of doing one of these things.
Yeah, they grind too hard, still miss the
Not like too much into it.
draw clean, and it lands.
One thing about this thing is it's a little like 3 drive up here, and it did like one of these. Now we're like nuking, so maybe you wait to come down there. Maybe grab that.
Draw one zone, price, kiss that space. She said how you trade like grace. I said chill, let the math embrace. Wrist on freeze, head in smoke. Chart too clean, no
You guys popped out of the AI16Z thing break even, but we'll keep it open here to get back in this thing.
She roll hips, he fumble size, I move a script. No talk loud, I chart that whisper. Price pull back like I text him, missed ya. I stay high, but the math stay sharp. Top floor trades while you lost in charts. One touch move, yeah, bend that arc. Loud in my chest, still hit my mark. He gets stressed, I align with pace. Draw one zone, price, kiss that space. She said how you trade like grace. I said chill, let the math embrace. He press buttons, I press the time. He draw patterns, I draw lines. Zone been there since Monday close. Friday wick, that's how it goes. Top shelf pressure, I float divine. Still locked in when I'm off that pine. She asked what strain, I said precision. She laughed and Price made its decision. No fear, no fumble, just rhythm and data. Ops get loud, I just move greater. TP tap while they still pray. I'm too high to guess, but I never sway. Floating through it, and still I know you chase the candles. I let them show. I stay high, but the math stay sharp. Top floor trades while he lost in charts. One touch move, yeah, I bend that up. Loud in my chest, still hit my mark. He gets stressed, I align with pace. Draw one zone, price, kiss that space. She said how you trade like grace. I said chill, let the math embrace.
Yeah, open interest is getting nuked on this thing right now. Motherfuckers are getting wrecked right now on this thing. Got him! Got him! Got the ass. A lot of shorts starting to open down here too.
They talk, I drop, they chase, I wait, then boom, Marcos. Got 'em in silence, didn't even blink, just let it align. They thought they had it, I let that ride. Wick came back and I took that side. He got chart said so. Touch my zone then drop that low. She said, was that luck? I said no. It's always math and they don't know. Fade that high then vanish quick. They long emotion, I long wick. She said you cold, I said I'm calm. Price tap twice then
Motherfuckers getting wrecked right now. Got him! Got him! Didn't take a profit, get wrecked. Didn't manage your risk, didn't move your stop, get wrecked.
They trade loud,
Got him!
slow. He called breakout, I call no. You post charts, I post fills. You want hype, I want kills. Got him in silence.
Oh my god.
Didn't even blink, just let it align. They thought they had it, I let that ride. Wick came back and I took that side. He got chart said so. Touch my zone then drop that low. She said, was that luck? I said no.
That's how they get you, right? Look at this. Like, this is what? 8 hours of price action undone in 10 minutes. Got him! Got him! Got him! Don't kill me. This is a little bit lower.
No warning, no sound, no emotion, just the drop and the drop. Got 'em in silence, didn't even blink, just let it align. They thought they had it, I let that ride. We came back and I took that side. He got chart said so. Touch my zone then drop that low. She said, was that luck? I said no. It's always math and they don't know. They don't know.
Running the lows. Boy, they're motherfucking running these lows. Question is, are they gonna run these ones too? Coming right back down to Valeria low for the day.
Yeah. Yeah. You back again. Same wick. Marcos. You got. Again.
Speaking of getting got.
Same shot.
Motherfucker's getting got right now. Got him. Ba-bing, ba-bing. We're both hopping the reversion on this bitch. Let these motherfuckers get liquidated. And then we're riding that bitch right back up, boy.
Got back for more, that's wild to me. Same zone hit, that's child to me. I plays clean, you play loud. You want cloud, I want crowd free. Big wick slap, no second try. You said entry, I said bye. TP tag my wrist, they like you draw dreams. I mark right, flash that size, I fade that flash. You post charts, I post cash. TPO clean, POC lock, you press up, got again. Same chart, same man. Press that wick, got flipped again. You said new plan, but still pretend. Now you stop gon' ghost, let's still pretend. Got again. Same move, no trend. Again, Marcos calm, math don't bend. You caught feelings, I caught wind. Screenshot green, 2 ticks in. I let trap work, I face in. They won't loud, I won't blend. I wait slow, they hit in. One move back, they blow the lot, one fake high. I take the spot, risk control. They never heard all in max, then tweak the hurt, rolling loud. Off they regret, you want hype. I want the net, TP feel. That candle split, you came back, still got hit. Again, they fold again. I win again.
Okay, we got in that thing.
They loud again.
Ba-bing, right? We got in that thing. Stop loss already a break even. Okay. Ba-bing, later. Ride that bitch back up, boy. He's already 10% in profit. God damn. Probably, I'm very suspicious of this is gonna slip as well, but we'll leave that for now. Job done on that thing. Oh god, that's too funny. Too funny.
The math is the math. Marcos.
Oh my gosh. Look at our fucking entry on this thing. We're bing. Hold on, let me just. I will wait. Actually, even put this there. Bobby. Oh, actually, we've got a better picture, right? So you can get some context. So this is like what, 1 penny, not even, of a difference. That's our stop. That's the entry, boy. Pixel perfect. Ba-bing! Ba-bing! Got him! Shit's too fucking easy, I swear.
I don't speak, just drawing drift. They force trades, I let it shift. You saw green, I saw trap. You got loud, I just snap. Same mistake on a brand new day, same results.
Oh my god.
History loop like a silent kill. He swung hard, I stayed still. Oh.
Now we'll just chill. What's going on with this AI16C thing, by the way?
Same old song, same fake trend. I don't chase, I just send. They drop bags.
So I'm assuming we left some single prints behind on that, yeah? I guess not. We already did last of the zone today. Probably TP at the VWAP, right? Let's set TP at the VWAP now. Bearish retest with the golden pocket. 14389. 14389.
What price felt it, now you shocked. You post rage, I post feels. You feel pain, I press kills. One more bounce, one more fall, one more L for the loudest call. He said next time, I said nah. You got twice that's law. Not new, not random, just mad again. Marcos. They got that again and again. Same old song, same
Okay, got that TP set. Send loan up here. 475. 147. Ding.
watch 'em slip. Deja vu. Price it clean.
We would have said based on the chart in the exchange, yeah.
Say they learn, but it ain't true.
Well, I'm gonna set it here in case you like swing fail this garbage. Don't take the high out. Let the rest run. Okay. Don't worry about that thing anymore. Show to the math, right? Show to the math. Ink, right?
No warning. Just smoke. Marcos.
TP got hit clean like a headshot. Price ran up, then dropped like dead stock. Zone 2 Chris, I ain't miss no tick. They caught in trees. I call hit. TP
Suspicious though. I'm very suspicious of it kind of just like right at the point of control.
Boss they broke. I load and drip. They set hopes. I set ends. He got hit. I hit trends. What got tagged? That was mine. Exit clean, no overtime. Draw that level.
Be mindful of getting in down here as well, right? On the scoop of this or this again. If we do get stopped though.
You chase pumps. I chase path. She asked, what's that zone you drew? I said, where the smoke come through. Take profit set. Don't need to guess. It hit like shotties to the chest.
Okay, we'll
TP
leave
got
that.
hit clean like a headshot. Price
Check
ran
out
up,
some of
then
this
dropped like
Bitcoin
dead
at
stock.
data.
Zone 2 Chris, I ain't miss no tick. They caught in trees. I call hit. TP got hit like an op got split. Chart ran fast, then flip that script. No luck here. Just math that click. Both stay broke. I load and drip.
Price came fast and snapped that zone. Ops got smoke, now they off they phone. Back to sharp, no mercy mode. Buy court lag, now margin froze. Wrist set tight, reward wide open. Size so big, I'm the one who rode it. Candlewick deep, they thought it reverse. TP got tagged, now I'm out first. We don't chase, we post away. Let them talk, I draw my fate. He got hype, I got calm. Chart pulled back and dropped that bomb. You said a dream. I said a target. When price moves, mine gets hit.
TP got hit clean like a headshot. Price ran up, then dropped like dead stock. Zone 2 Criff, I ain't miss no tick. They call in trees. I call hit. TP got hit just like an op got split. Chart ran fast, then flip that script. No luck here, just math that click. Boss stay broke, I load and drip.
No slip, no trail, just a flash and a fill. TP, Marcos.
We don't lose a golden pocket. I mean, we have a pretty good entry, so we can avoid this kind of like but bink and go. Because there are some people trapped here in shorts. Oh, shorted it. People open the shorts here. Like, what?
Just numbers. Marcos.
What? This is where they decide to open their shorts.
Don't chase.
Interesting. Interesting creatures.
Press come close. I press.
Maybe it works out for them though. We'll see, right? Maybe we just end up rolling over. Now in the hands of the market gods and the order flow.
You draw hope, I draw facts. You ride waves, I bend tracks. They ask why I don't speak. It's all math, I move sleek. It's all about the math. I don't need a guess. Everything aligns. Every time I press.
That's cool.
It's all about the math. Price just follows form. I don't feel a thing cold, but I still transform.
The chart we had.
No emotion in my plan, just that logic in my hand. You swing wild, I don't move. I just wait for price to prove. Late night screen, no sound, no thrill. Just numbers bending to my will. You want heat,
Potential short opportunity coming up here on this thing, yeah?
you want now I plot.
I mean, we'll see, but
It's all about the math. I don't need a guess.
levels of interest up here for Xiao Xiao.
Every time I press click, it's all about the math. No fear in my zone. I don't blink or sweat. I just bring it home.
definitely be watching this kind of zone.
They trade feelings. I trade formulas.
Leave an alarm on that thing.
They chase dreams.
We're on the hunt right now, guys. We're on the fucking
Chase data.
prowl, on the hunt right now.
That's the difference. It's all about the
How's this thing going? Okay, still hanging in there. Okay. Do we just get a pixel perfect juicer potentially?
Then click and collapse. It's all about the math. They think I'm cold.
We'll see. We'll give it time. We'll give that thing some time at this point. Whatever. Next 30-minute candle is not for a little bit. 2-hour candle as well. I think it's a 6-hour candle too. Yeah. Go back to biddies, the biddies. Bitcoins.
They grind too hard, still miss the vibe. I roll up, jaw clean, and it lands. Marcos, yeah. I stay high, but the man stay sharp. Top floor trays while he lost in charge. One touch move, yeah, I bend that up. Loud in my chest, still hit my mark. He gets stressed, I align with pace. Draw one zone, price, kiss that space. She said, how you trade like grace? I said, chill, let the math embrace. Cool now. Wrists on freeze, head in smoke. Chart too clean, no need to hope. He watching news, I ride the slope. Entry hit, then vanish cloak. I roll backwards, she roll hips. He fumble sides, I move with script. No talk loud, I chart that whisper. Price pull back like I texted Smith. But the man stay sharp. Top floor trades while he lost in charts. One touch move, yeah, I bend that arc. Loud in my chest, still hit my mark. He gets stressed, I align with pace. Draw one zone, price, kiss that space. She said, how you trade like grace? I said, chill, let the math embrace. Yeah.
He press buttons, I press time. He draw patterns, I draw lines. Zone been there since Monday close. Friday week, that's how it goes. Top shelf pressure, I float divine. Still locked in when I'm off that pine. She asked what strain, I said precision. She laughed and price made its decision. No fear, no fumble, just rhythm and data. Ops get loud, I just move greater. TP tap while they still pray. I'm too high to guess, but I never sway. Floating through it, still I know. You chase the candles, I let.
I stay high, but the math stay sharp. Top floor trades while he lost in charts. One touch move, yeah, I bend that arc. Loud in my chest, still hit my mark. He gets stressed, I align with pace. Draw one zone, price, kiss that space. She said, how you trade like grace? I said, chill, let the math embrace. Yeah. Zone drawn. Trade hit. And I'm gone. Marcos.
You came back. Same chart, same flight, same zone, Marcos.
Okay.
You got it. Didn't learn just to send.
So far so good, yeah. So far so good. Do we just get a pixel fucking perfect bottom entry on this bitch live and direct or what, right? Shout out to us, right? Shout out to us. Sat down here just chilling, fucking bing! Pixel perfect bottom, boy! God damn! Fucking hook shot over no look, just bing! Not even trying, god damn! Goddamn. Get the fuck off for a bit. Texting people, chill out. Wait for these other things to figure out what they want to do. Check the open interest on Whiff.
You got God. got God. You got God. You got God. You got God.
No risk plan, just FOMO thrill. No edge drawn, just hope to fill. You mark noise, I mark still. You beg candle, I build skill. TP tag, the silence hits. I roll out gas, you post fits. One more trade, one more loss. One more time, I let you cross. Same zone hit, same for show. Same regret and candle glow. You want hype, I want stealth. You burn fast, I print wealth. You got gun. Same button, same button.
So happy I made this layout, this template for like looking at all open interest. It's so much faster now, goddamn. So much faster. Shout out to us putting in that fucking work, right? Shout out to us putting in that motherfucking work. For what if we want to see what level is that? 21st? 21st. How much liquidity is on that wick on the 21st? You got God. You got God. Don't go far enough back. Oh what?
Still
gotta go back more.
Still winning it. Still calm. Still mad. Marcos.
There you
Still
go.
blazing, yeah, the loud on fire. But my levels hold clean, no liar. I don't stress, I just chart with ease. Math got me floating, profits breeze. Still faded, still hit that zone. Ops press buttons, I pressed home.
What y'all think about the math, guys? What y'all think about that WorldCoin math?
Top shelf, flame, same pack as last. Chart move slow, I move past. No overthink.
Hopefully it makes it to the VWAP though. Hopefully it makes it to the VWAP. Get our first TP at least.
She said you even focus now. I said watch this wick come down. And it did like it always do. Draw that mark, let the trade come through. No bots, no stress, no noise. Just smooth entries, grown man poise. They draw clouds.
What y'all think about the math?
Higher sky, still make incision.
Y'all fucking with the math yet or no? Or no? Believers in the math?
My levels hold clean, no liar. I don't stress, I just chart with ease. Math got me floating, profits breeze. Still faded, still hit that zone. Ops press buttons, I press tone. They work hard, I let it align. He chase charts, I follow the sign. Charts so light, I barely touch. He overtreads, I don't rush. She roll one, I just lean back. TP hit while I count that stack. Stop loss hit, that wasn't mine. I don't guess I traced the sign.
Fucking song.
Still too high, still too sharp. Still don't miss when I press that.
Okay, let's find out how much open interest is on this bitch down here.
I see rhythm.
On the whiffers.
Odds, I play system. You chase gold.
Hey, was it 21st?
Digits, all while vibing through these sessions. They
Still like 5 million left on here. Over here, there's how much?
smoked in.
None. They've all been closed out already. Over here,
I breathe in.
they've all been closed out. Okay.
Still blazing, yeah, the loud on fire. But my levels hold clean, no liar. I don't stress, I just chart with ease. Math got me floating, profits breeze.
Still a lot open over here on Bybit. Okay, good to know. Be mindful of that as we go down to those levels if we go down. Another potential sweep beta sweep to get into. Might get another 360 no scope entry on that thing.
Ain't no way he. Yeah. Again. Marcos.
I mean, it's didn't like technically swing for any pattern, but like there's a world where there's some liquidity up here. The thing is grab, now it's reversing.
Blue is back again. Shoulda never hit send. Tap my zone again. Stupid. Way too clean, that's trend. Facts. One more loss again. Toast. Chart don't lie. Pretend. Stop. Same top tick, new dumb trader. Big cap post, I'm the creator. You call strength, I call liquidity. Fade that push with mechanical symmetry. Loud on TL, then ghost in trades. TP hit while he overplays. One red box, he clicked that buy. Then boom, smoke in the sky. She said he did it again. I said twice in a week. Dummy. He said bulls in control. Nah. I said your P&L sheet. Trash. Again. He got again. Same setup, same end. Boom. Blue is bag again. Burn. Shoulda never hit send. Nope. Tap my zone again. Wow. Wig too clean, that's trend. Mad. One more loss again. Bag. Chart don't lie, pretend. No cattle. Penthouse view, I trade on mute. He got shook, I stayed in suit. I pop tags, he pop stops. He press gas, I call tops. Same draw zone since Monday morn. Price came back, got reborn. He chased breakouts, I just trace. He begged candles, I embrace. Whip got gloss, wrist got low. Stress on his face, not my glow. He said next time, yeah, right. Same zone cooking up same night. Again. You thought it was different. It wasn't. You thought you broke the zone. You didn't. You got. Again. He got again. Same setup, same man. Blue is bag again. Shoulda never hit send. Tap my zone again. We too clean, that's trend. One more loss again. Chart don't lie, pretend. Again. Y'all don't learn. It's math. Marcos.
You don't need to move loud to move right. Marcos. You watch the world run fast, I see it drift past. They all scream out loud, I just wait and count. Limits at candle near, no emotions here. They don't see the edge, but I breathe it clear.
Thought I just turned the whole stream off again by accident. Hit the power switch on my power brick almost. Yeah, damn. Out of curiosity, if we...
Precision, the way you place the line so quiet, but it feels right on time, no tension.
Are y'all fucking with the math?
No rush in the design,
Or not?
just
Or
silence,
not?
and everything aligned.
I think I need an editor to make just like a montage of one of those like stupid ass like emoji 42069 Dorito chip bag things, like the headshot hit markers and whatnot, just getting like pixel perfect fills.
Moves through the dark.
Make a whole montage of that shit, boy.
I see sparks. They chase and pose.
What do I eat before the gym though? That's a question. I need to do groceries after the gym, but I need something before.
Don't treat fear. I let it flow. The wick came close, it kissed the zone. They all hoped up, I stayed alone. They all dealt breath, I held code. They broke down, I just flowed. Precision, the way you place the line so quiet, but it feels right on time. No tension, no rush in the design, just silent, and everything aligned. Price returned to where it always belonged. The math is the math. Marcos.
So far so good. Yeah, looks like it's gonna confirm this swing fill pattern on this next candle. Thing is, I don't know if I have a first TP set here. Maybe we should not have it there. It's a little early. Like, I mean, we did get like a nice entry, but
Same victim. Again. Max.
because this thing is what's on my mind. This in which case taking TPing here is like quite early. Quite early. Let's do some quick math. Where's my calculator? Where's my calculator? Think about this a little bit.
No news here, just rinse and fold. No edge left, just bought that gold. Click, click, chart react. They bought strength, I short that act. Again, same move, hit, same price bend. No new trick, just same old trend. They don't learn, I just send. We came back, they stepped in. Charts said chill, they pressed in. Zone got tapped, fake got locked. History hit, stop got popped. Back to back, same zone snap. He draw fib, I fade that map. I mark level, he walk blind. Chart don't lie, price realign. Detached vibe, I plot and drift. Low lit room, my conviction lift. She said you knew that would flip. I said watch how often they slip. Don't fight trend, don't fight edge. They still do, I still hedge. They drop bags, I drop weight. They hold hope, I hold faith. He says different this time. It wasn't. He said it's gonna run. It didn't. He got again. Got once, got again. Same move, hit, same price bend.
We'll come back to this. We'll see. But it looks like it's reacting on the 382 in the lower time frame. We'll do it. If not, I change my TPs a little bit. So the guy. What do I have now? I have like 1, 2 at the port high, and then like a 3 up here, and then let the rest go. So we're gonna greet it a little bit. But we'll wing it, right? We'll play it by ear, see what the reaction is when we get up here, if we even get up there. In the meantime, what do I do?
Yeah.
Going to some oatmeal, I suppose. I'm gonna snack on for the gym.
I say, watch how price move. Marcos.
Lines don't lie, baby, look at Yellow dash price hit like a friend. They call it fake, but I know that man. Bounce so clean like it got no end. Day and night still tap that zone. No alert, but it's known, it's known. Flatline set with a digital tone. They trade loud, I trade alone. They draw boxes, I draw fate. She said hide hit, I said just wait. Wick hit twice, she gave that look. I said price reads lines, not books. They chase noise, I chase still. She write charts like I write skill. Mark that level, then I chill. Let that tap come back for real.
Lines don't lie, baby, look again. Yellow dash price it like a friend. They call it fake, but I know that bend. Bounce so clean like it got no end. Day and night still tap that zone. No alert, but it's known, it's known. Flatline set with a digital tone. They trade loud, I trade alone.
I don't need no fib, no buzz. Just dash that goal like it's what it was. She said you sure, I said I'm mad. She kissed slow when price came back. 3 times hit and the level hold. Now she whisper charts while I grip that soul. I don't move loud, I move with grace. Price respect where I place that trace.
Bounce so smooth, they say it's luck. They don't know, but I see rhythm, I don't guess much. Never guess. Dash so quiet, but it pull like tide. Pull it. They lost again, and I just smile.
Lines don't lie, baby, look again. Yellow dash price hit like a friend.
They call it fake, but I know that bend. Bounce so clean like it got no end. Day and night still tap that zone. No alert, but it's known, it's known. Flatline set with a digital tone. They trade loud, I trade alone.
They call it love, I call it mad. Oh, lines don't lie.
Marcos.
Yeah. They said I'm delusional. I just do the math. Marco. They said I'm delusional. Talking like the chart don't lie. Drawing lines they don't understand. Still I catch that perfect high. They said I'm delusional. Saying trading got no soul.
You miss anything?
Chase their feelings, I just low control and hold. Yeah, I talk in numbers, they call that fake. Said I'm cold, said I lost my taste. But I don't flinch when the wick come fast, cause the zone been placed and the mask still lasts. You screenshot green, I calculate. You hope she runs, I isolate. VWAP bounce or a delta trap. You feel FOMO, I fade that clap. They want hype, I want the edge. They want breaks, I want the ledge. They want crowd, I want the silence. They want
Is this trying to hold? That's kind of lulls. Kind of lulls.
talking like a chart don't lie. Drawing lines they don't understand.
Kind of lulls.
They said I'm delusional. Saying trading got no soul. But while they chase their feelings, I just low control and hold. Yeah. Watch them call my work a reach till the price tabs twice like a sermon speech. Then they go, no words just lost. I sit calm.
So would I have to charge my headphones for the gym or nah? Or nah?
To fly, move below. They think news gonna break the sky.
Or
But I
nah?
trade truth and truth don't cry. Limit set.
It's a 4-hour look-in.
You chase weak, I just leave. They want drama, I want pace. You want now, I want place. Delusional to them, intentional to me. I'm not wrong, I'm just ahead. Marcos. They said I'm
No, we do. Okay, let's do that.
talking like a chart don't lie. Drawing lines they don't understand.
Boy, I'm too nice. Caught that shit mid-air before it fell to the ground, boy.
They said I'm delusional. Saying trading got no soul. But while they chase their feelings, I just low control and hold. Call it luck, call it fate. Just don't call it late. The math is the math. Marcos.
Can we stay above the POC here or what? Or what? Start moving back towards value, yeah?
La línea ya no miente. Price moves slow, pero toca mi mente. Yellow dash, they say pretend, but I just wait and then it bends. La línea, she move loud, get flame. Wick so close, then hit my name. Feel so soft like lips at night. They call it ghost, I call it right. I draw that dash, no decoration. She touched that zone, no hesitation. Matemática sin emoción, pero como baila esa reacción. Late night feeling, no notification. TP hit pure confirmation. She bouncing curve like algo cold. You chase the break, I ride the mode. No necesito suerte, no necesito fe. Just a silent
Pixel
chart
fuck a
in my
382.
P&L, okay? They call it random, but I see the way. Price don't lie, if I play. La línea ella no miente, no. Price moves slow, pero toca mi mente. Yellow dash, they say pretend, but I just wait.
Might just do we short this thing potentially, right? If there's no reverse from here, take our profit in the long and then short this bitch.
No lo toco, solo el mercado. Imaginary, solo si no ves. Pero el precio baila como mi ex. Whisper close when she taps my line. Pixel perfect, almost divine. They draw noise, I draw design. They lose control, I sip my wine.
Give it some time, see if it loses the point of control again or not.
Imaginary, pero ella toca donde
Will we take some protein straight to the dome?
She touch it again. Same line, same night. You call it love, I call it math. Marcos.
Again, which means always. Marcos.
He got again, not new. Same with Kid, same fate too. Shot flip fast, I ain't blink. Man play clean, he ain't think. Got bad, twice maybe three. Try break out, price played me. You chase green, I lay traps. You play loud, I press maps. He got again, not new. Same with Kid, same fate too. Shot flip fast, I ain't blink. Man play clean, he ain't think. Got bad, twice maybe three. Try break out, price played me. You chase green, I lay traps. You play loud, I press maps. Same candle, same scream. Same thread, new dream. He said it's different, it ain't. I drew that line in paint. You click buy, click pause. You hit top, I hit cause. You want hype, I want price. You still lose, I trade twice. She said how we get wrecked again. I said same zone, same end. He saw pump, I saw snare. He got caught, I wasn't there. He got caught. I wasn't there. He got caught. He got again, not new. Same wick hit, same fate too. Shot flip fast, I ain't blink. Math play clean, he ain't think. Got bad, twice maybe three. Try break out, price played me. You chase green, I lay traps. You play loud, I press maps. Mark that zone with silence first. He stepped loud, charted the worst. Stop, got clapped, I watched it fall. I ain't move, he risked it all. Draw once, I wait weeks. He 8 moves, I press peaks. You tweak charts, I stack fills. You chase patterns, I kill wills. One tap and the whole thing turned. TP flash, another got burned. She said math's cold, I said true. But I don't miss it, neither do you. Again. Just means you never learn, and I never had to speak. He got again, not new. Same wick hit, same fate too. Chop flip fast, I ain't blink. Math play clean, he ain't think. Got bad, twice maybe three. Try break out, price played me. You chase green, I lay traps. You play loud, I press maps. It's not luck. It's not hype. It's always math. And always
382 is pixel fucking, guys, on both directions, here and here. Bing bing. Tell me it's not math. Okay, bet for sure. Show.
Yeah.
We got an hour and a half to kill here before we gotta go.
Zero in emotion. Marcos. I trade the math, not the mood. Wait for the level, I don't move. I trade the math, that's the groove. You chase hype, I improve.
I'm gonna be fucking pissed if I go to gym and all these things like and do whatever. Motherfucker, better not.
Trade the man, not the mood. Wait for the level, I don't move. I trade the man.
See me close the where?
You chase hype.
Right after the breaking down from this fair flag over here. Relatively close to where see me close right now.
Chase hype, I improve. I improve. I don't feel it. I figure it. The math is a math. Marcos.
Think late night screams. Think late night screams.
What song is this? What song is this?
It's always the math, the reason I stay through all the emotion. It shows me the way. No guessing, no hoping. I move when it's right. I enter in stillness and exit in light. It's always the math.
How far did we go? We're not this far down, are we?
Even when charts go cold, it's my truth.
We are, wow.
Whisper of logic, so gentle, so fast. They chase the chaos, I trust the math.
I'm skipping this one for now, right? Fuck yeah. Sure, we're playing on that gang shit, like that. Celebrating this pixel perfect juice.
I'm the reason they keep losing. Marcos. Said I'm delusional, still I'm up. Math on the screen and they call it luck. Fade that move, price bleed abrupt. They trade vibes, I press, I cut. No emotion, I draw, then wait. That line hit once, now they close that gate.
Y'all got any motherfucking questions or not? Cause I'm about to post the fuck up, right? Post up.
Price tap back, then liquidate. They said you chart too much, it's fake. Then watch they stop, get set ablaze. I don't blink, I don't flinch. Size too tight, reward too rich. They post memes, I post feels. They chase dreams, I press kills. But I caught lag, I caught my win. He ran code, I locked that pin. You doubt lines, I shift price. She said that bounce, I said precise. Said I'm delusional, still I'm up. Math on the screen and they call it luck. Fade that move, price bleed abrupt. They trade vibes, I press, I cut. No emotion, I draw, then wait. That line hit once, now they close that gate. She said you guess, not calculate. You mock the math, you imitate. Yellow line dash, price don't miss. Flat no glow, still hit like this. 3-day Backtist wrapped in clicks. They get smoked off market tricks.
You hear that? Yellow dash line don't miss. You listen to the fucking lyrics or not? You listen to the motherfucking lyrics or not? Yellow dash line don't miss. Boy.
You think I'm delusional? Cool.
Marcos, you're delusional.
Just don't forget who drew the line.
There's no way your lines do that.
Your stop exploded on.
Sure, bro.
Said I'm delusional, still I'm up. Math on the screen and they call it luck. Fade that move, price bleed abrupt. They
Show to the
check vibes, I
fucking
press
math.
and cut.
God
No
damn.
emotion, I draw then wait. That line hit once, now they close that gate. She said you guess, not calculate. You mock the math, you imitate. It's not luck. It's lines.
Choosing these lines 6 fucking months ago. Pixel fucking. Down to the goddamn penny. Huh? Huh? How? How does he know?
They say it's fake.
Fuck this shit.
Till Price taps it again.
Marcos.
The line it never lies.
They got greedy, now they gone. Liquidate. Over leverage, now they fried. Max out size, no math, no guide. Bought that wick, got hit with pride. Candle flip, they cried online. Cover leverage, margin dead. Risk got cooked, they trade on threads. I stay small, I watch instead. They press full size, I took they bread. Leverage, now they fried. Max out size, no math, no guide. They bought that wick, got hit with pride. Candle flip, they cried online. Cover leverage, margin dead. Risk got cooked, they trade on threads. I stay small, I watched instead. They press full size, I took they bread. They went 20x long. Stupid. Right at the top of the song. I marked that level at dawn. I set my trap, then I'm gone. They flex position, I flex the math.
Okay, okay. Because you're not take profit on this thing yet.
I let that print and let it crash.
Move this up a little bit so you can come back to it later.
They watch cliche. They want moon, I want delay. They get smoked, I fade and pray. Leverage, now they fried. Max on size, no math, no guy. They bought that wick, got hit with pride. Candle flip, they cried online. Over leverage, margin dead. Risk got cooked, they trade on thread. I stay small, I watched instead. They press full size, I took they bread. When came fast, they call breakout. I saw squeeze, they call fake out. Imbalance, I faded loud. They lost size, I gained clout. Liquidation,
I'm missing one from yesterday too, right? What was it?
I let it rip. They
It was
blame the
Casper,
news,
right?
I blame the click. They played the move, I played the wick.
The
Now they
monthly
gone,
level.
posting memes. I'm in profit, pushing beams. They drew lines, I drew regime. They chase hope, I trade machine.
They leverage too much. Too quick. Too loud. Now they empty. I'm still here. Marcos.
Over leverage, now they fried. Max on size, no map, no guy. They bought that wick, got hit with pride. Candle flip, they cried online. Over leverage, margin dead. Risk got cooked, they trade on threads. I stay small, I watched instead. They press full size, I took their bread.
It came exactly where I'm at.
I fuck with this song.
Didn't chase, didn't flinch, take profit. Take profit. Take profit, I let it breathe. Didn't need to watch it leave it. Touch the line, no sound, no fight it.
Can we flip this golden pocket on Biddy or what? God damn. God damn. Grinding our way up there.
I placed it low when no one looked. Below the wick, beneath the book, they laughed at patience, mark the weight, but price curved back, aligned with fate. No need to rush, no need to guess. I took the zone, ignored the mess. They screamed for more. I stayed the plan and watched it fill, just like I ran.
like it hurt me, Marcos.
They chase the spike. I wait for V. Wow. Yeah. Marcos slide. Wait for V. Wow. Let it flip. Don't front run. I let it dip. They jump high. I let it snap. Back in range. I set the trap. Wait for V. Wow. Watch the hold. They chase heat. I play cold. If it breaking close is clean, and I step in, build that lean. Slide, get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Slide, get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Slide, get that lean, get that lean, get that lean. Slide, get that lean. You hit by 'cause the camera grew. I watch tape, I already knew. That move's weak, no bit behind. That spike you love, this mine. I don't touch it off first touch. Gotta see if it means that much. V-Watt rolling, I stay still. They gamble quick, I hunt the fill. They in fast, I wait for data. One false break and I'm the fader. No confirmation, that's a ghost. They got, I just toast. Wait for V-Watt, let it flip. Don't front run, I don't let it dip. They jump high, I let it snap. Back in range, I set the trap. Wait for V-Watt, watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If it break in, close is clean. Then I step in, build that lean. Sweat it lean, it lean, it lean. Price above, but not for long. No, hope. Too strong. Fade that plumb, fade that pride. Volume V-Wap tested, but it failed. Day long, the wick I scale. Traps at
Hey Siri,
perfect, I inhale. You play
set an alarm for 3:30.
volume weighted, pressure speaks. I let them chase for
Bitch.
weeks. When they scream,
Better set an alarm for 3:30, I'll knock your ass out.
entry sneak. Wait for V-Wap, let it flip. Don't front run, I let it dip. They jump high, I let it snap. Back in range, I set the trap. Wait for V-Wap, watch the hold. They chase heat, I play cold. If it break in, close is clean. Then I step in, build that lean. I lean, I lean, I lean, I lean.
Wait for V-Wap.
You don't see it, but it's all design. Visible rules and candle signs. He don't chase, he just aligns. He plays the math, imaginary lines. Your heart moves fast, he moves refined. He waits the trap, then takes what's mine. You feel the rush, he feels the time. He fades the noise, imaginary lines.
Shout out to the math.
Just clean, no need to prove. You guess the price, he knows the move. You flirt with chance, he charts the slope. You want the high, he wants control. Wick to wick, he's tracking flows. While you react, he already knows. Eyes like steel, smile like fate. You want the thrill, he calculates. You don't see it, but it's all designed. Invisible rules and candle signs. He don't chase, he just aligns. He plays the math, imaginary lines. Your heart moves.
Shout out to the math.
Refined. He waits the trap and takes what's mine. You feel the rush, he feels the time. He fades the noise, imaginary line.
Shout out to DJ Marcos AI too, right? This thing's been going crazy lately. Making all kinds of goodies.
Imaginary lines. Mark that zone, ain't nothing random. Price wing wide, I hold the phantom. You want real fast, I want the truth.
Shout out to this
You want that
Pixel
rush, I
Perfect
want the proof.
long on
Imagine they
WorldCoin.
they see green, I
Shout out to
see
our
blue, machine,
juicing
don't
Bitcoin
jump,
long.
don't react. I let
Shout out to the juicing short from yesterday.
fade that high, let 'em bite. POC close, I just might.
Shoutouts on shoutouts on shoutouts.
Calm, she know I'm right. You don't see it, but it's all designed. Invisible
Shout out to our next TP potentially getting hit soon.
signs. He don't chase, he just
Bobby.
aligns. He plays the math, imaginary lines. Your heart moves fast, he moves refined. He waits the trap and takes what's mine. You feel the rush, he feels the time. He fades the noise, imaginary line. Imaginary line.
Give an alarm here, yes, yes. I mean, mindful of the V wop on whiff, yeah.
You see the chart. He sees the code. You feel the high. He holds the load. Imaginary
Sure.
Marcos, they shorted the low again. It's time to spark up that fear. Chappy. Whoa. Hey. Smoking on bear pack. Rolling up bears in the wood. Red candle bait, thought they understood. But they bottom tick fear, I knew they would. Ash on the chart from the oversold. Now I'm chillin', water break out holes. They saw breakdown, I saw the base. They shorted strength, I bought their place. Smoking on bear pack. Rolling up bears in the wood. Red candle bait, thought they understood. But they bottom tick fear, I knew they would. Ash on the chart from the oversold. Now I'm chillin', water break out holes. They saw breakdown, I saw the base. They short strength, I bought their place. What up? Pulled up clean in the midnight bins. They shorted that wick, said this the end. I saw the flip, I knew the bend. Then price took off, they can't pretend. Sipping slow while the tape ignites. They beg for dump, I call for flight. V-Wop proclaimed they lost that fight. Now I'm rolling up bears through the candlelight. Fear in they tweets. Shorts too tight when the breakout repeats. They faded to green, I faded to feet. Now my pack full of pain from their belief. Smoking on bear pack.
Rolling up bears in the wood.
Red candle bait, thought they understood.
Rolling up bears in the motherfucking backwoods. What we're doing. Rolling them bitches up. All of the data again.
I bought their place. Doom tweets loud, but the tape too clean. Bearish bias turn to gasoline. Try to short highs on a runaway scheme. Now they liquidated. I print serene. Low got swept, they jumped on panic. I held that bid with math organic. They won't crash, I want the zone. They sold support, I took the throne. Ocho full with the bear pack spark. Their stop loss bought this candle art. Mo mips and ran, they called it dark, but that red they love. Just my start. Smoke trails where the shorts once ran. They fought the trend, I played the plan. Fear too loud, that's my scan. They burn, I earn, that's who I am. Smoking on bear pack. Rolling up bears in the wood. Red candle bait, thought they understood. But the bottom tick fear, I knew they would. Ash on the chart from the oversold. Now I'm chillin' while the breakout holes. They saw
30-minute candle in 5 minutes. Okay.
Marcos.
Okay. Getting tighter and tighter here. Okay.
paid the premium. The math is the math.
Show to the math.
Got again.
Show to that motherfucking math. Great.
I don't hope, I don't wait. I mark, they move. Mark goes. Chill. Yo. Imaginary to you, but not the price. Drawn 2 weeks back, still hit twice. No confluence, no fib, no hype. Line too clean like the math got sliced. Chart slow down when it near my zone. Wig tap like the momentum gone. They thought breakout, I thought fade. I was 10 pips deep in a palisade. No reaction, I just reload. Pit clean like a fingerprint code. Line invisible, weight still known. Yo, hold this is died on a level I own. Imaginary line still print real. Price hit once and sealed the deal. You press buttons, I press steel. Chart show chaos, I just feel. Imaginary marks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft, but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. Imaginary locks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft, but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. But I got hit at the edge of space. Line held firm like a golden brace. You saw noise, I saw math. You chase trend, I trap path. Set that level on a wine stain napkin. Price curve back like it owed me action. Whole move died when the wick got clipped. Mad don't lie, it just flips. I don't move fast, I just set fate. Market bend, I'm a silent wait. Chart don't fake when the edge get close. And I don't speak, just post that ghost. Imaginary line still print, no sound. Came through soft, but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. Imaginary marks, no glow, no sound. Came through soft, but broke that round. They never saw, but it came back down. You call that random, I call that crown. The wit don't lie, the chart don't ask. They think I predict, but I don't. I remember Marcos.
You gotta think of some kind of name to come up with, yeah. Some songs we can make for everybody to fuck with, not just random Marco songs. Need some creative motherfuckers to help me out, cause I can't be bothered. Should probably just ask ChatGPT. Yeah, I'll do that shit for us. Fuck it. Fuck that shit.
SFP the value high, with grand stops then kiss goodbye. They bought the break, I sold that lie. Back in range, they wonder why. Poor low sweep, I caught that bid. Fade that fake, then let it slide. Long the trap, I
This world is starting to roll over a little.
Poor high, no excess on site. They forced the wick, I dimmed their light. Sweep that zone, then drop it right back in the box at auction tie. You area high, no close to hold. They chased that wick, got left in cold. That breakout candle purely sold. I filled that fade, now I print bold. Limp, then where they overreact. I see the trap, I don't get jacked. That was a grab, I mapped that tack. This FP clean, I slide that stack. No structure, no clues. There's a trap, there's a ghost. Value low, I bid that base. They panicked high, I took their place. SFP at the value high. With grand stops, then kiss goodbye. They bought the break, I sold that lie. Back in range, they wonder why. Poor low sweep, I caught that bid. Fade that fake, then let it slid. They long the trap, I slid and flipped. Now value low, that's where I sit. Liquidity grabbed, I let it burn. Back to balance, I wait my turn. They lost the edge, they never learned. SFP hit my profits trash. She loved my calm, I play too rare. They wanna chase, I trap with care. One wick spike, I'm in matter. They stop out loud, I breathe that air. They read the hype, I read the tape. They bought that wick, I watched escape. No follow through, then it's too late. That swing failed, I claim my rate.
Had a 30-minute candle print on Bitty. Particularly interesting. Looking like it's kind of rolling over a little bit, yeah.
Auction done. Your stops are mine.
Math is the math.
Gold trim on the fiber line, gold dust on the candlestick body. They asked who moved the market, I said don't watch price, watch Marcos. Chart kiss level, she touched down slow. Golden pocket, I told you so. Silk pajama, map penthouse glow. She traced that trend like a line I wrote. I wrist light, but I live heavy. Wrist so gold, it weigh like Chevy. Bot run place while I sip a steady. Candle wick long and my drawdown petty. She asked what I do, I said math and finesse. One fib zone, pay for the plane and the vest. Stay low on the top, I bless the test. Marcos Midas, I press they guess. Midas, smoke, turn charge to chains. Gold on gold when I touch that range. She drop low when the levels bang. TP hit like a royal name. Midas mine, trade with grace. Wine that costs more than they base. Gold set deep in the watch face glass. Don't ask price, just know it pass. Golden ratio wrapped in tone. She ride like price through custom zones. No
I mean, if we get round trip on this thing, so fucking be it. Our break even stop is below the 886. That's how much of a pixel perfect fucking bottom entry we got. Let that thing resolve itself. Y'all need hope, I built from guilt. Midas mode, turn charge to James. Gold on gold when I touch that ring. She drop low when the levels bang. TP hit like a royal name. Midas mine, trade with grace. Wine that costs more than they base. Gold set deep in the watch face glass. Don't ask price, just know it pass. It's not luck. It's not hope. It's Marcos. And the math. Gold is just a residue.
Top faders. Right. Marcos in the B-side. We don't chase pumps, fool. We fade them.
This fucking song.
Bumped in math.
Bumped in math.
Skirting full of beat ducks. Treetop faders, catching that top. You loan too early, we letting you drop. Jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high.
I don't chase no bounces, I don't buy no dreams. I let y'all pump, then I fade them schemes. Math been red like a set on flame. Stop hunt clean, who you think run game? Bugatti parked on Rosecrans stripes. Penthouse high, but the wrist on ice. Ops go long, we laughing back. Got them smoked out, candle pack. Ran my fibs, let the chart drip slow. I'm treetop faded, you faded hope. AP bust like a 38 poke. Hit that zone, now your margin broke.
Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high.
You say breakout, we say bait. You running fast, we lay that plate. SL hit, that's chain reaction. You bought fake highs, we fade with passion. B-chain swing when the field get placed. Double R drift like it's past your pace. You beg for trend, we pray for range. And bleed the top like a Pyru name. She asked why red, I said that's clean. Red Rari deep like treetop lean. Back this red, but the profit's green. B on my belt, but the charts stay mean.
Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high. Treetop faders, catching that top. You long too early, we letting you drop. You jumping green, we loading them shots. Market ain't gangster, but math get high.
I'm riding trends, we end them. Chart get jumped, we slide in silence. Treetop, fade God, Marcos.
Treetop, treetop. Boom, boom. Where are we on this playlist?
Marcos initialized.
They move when I place. They pause where I stop. If you know, you know.
If you know, you fucking know, right? The math is the math.
Limits, pivots, I'm setting the tone. Sight so deep, price don't move on its own. Flash that wick, that's me in the zone. You chase pumps, I bank and I'm gone. You play streams, I post limits. Hold trend bends when I send digits. Short the low, that's your ticket. Top gets long, then I flip it. They can't match weight, they adjust the range.
Speaking of short and the low, right? That whole world thing? That got closed yet? Motherfucker shorted the pixel perfect bottom.
I don't move like retail. I draw the line, you call it a detail. Options box like shipping crates. IV higher than I rotate. You stress losses, I stress Greeks. You move for clout, I move discreet. Lied on pose and I came out vapes. When I get fall, I'm a laughing state. I'm a lift nut with my neck so tape. Fix, I fixed up, quite a brace.
Limits, pivots, I'm setting the tone. Sight so deep, price don't move on its own. Flash that wick, that's me in the zone. You chase pumps, I bank and I'm gone. You play streams, I post limits. Hold trend bends when I send digits. Short the low, that's your ticket. Top gets long, then I flip it.
Broker store, they can't feel mine, so they widen spreads and delay time. News don't move it, tweets don't phase. It's Marcos trades that bend the wave. Fake outs live where I place bait. Whole trend shifts off risk I rate. Top gets squeezed while I sell calm. Your moon is my exit, thanks for the palm. Golden zone, that's my canvas. You chart hope, I move like an atlas. Leverage max, that's harvest season. They get got and don't know the reason.
You say it's luck, but I've seen this loop. You caught the spike, I wrote the scoop. Your stops fun suits, I'm my next booth. You trade belief, I execute truth.
Limits, pivots, this ain't a guess. Risk gets taxed while I compress. No reaction, I pre-play stress. Your whole edge I repossess.
You felt the shift, but I placed the weight. They say whales move the sea, but I own the tide. The math is the math.
Yeah. They off the drain, I'm off the math. Can't hear you from the tarmac, goofy. Marcos. Woke up in the villa with the windows blue tint. My Carlo light trays hit while I ran. Say steak while the euro slid 5 pips. Didn't even check the chart, it's all instinct. She said, you good? I said, barely. Off the map drifting, slow in the McLaren. AP looked like the chart, I sketched no cap. The face even showing resistance levels. You panic when the price go parabolic. I just lean back in this Paris-loft melodic. She ride like a trend off CPI lies. I had your love in the penthouse sky. Off the math, off it. I ain't even here. Nah. Jet too loud, gone. Wrist too clear. Draw down fake, profit too real. They want the alpha, but they can't feel off the math. What? Lost in charts. I bought that zone, then I bought that car. Ferrari wide like a weekly gap, and the field hit hard like a market stop.
Charles paid lunch, didn't even log in. Bot took the scalp, now I'm jogging. Palm trees bend where I parked the rose. Price came back, then I split that soul. Lamborghini yellow like Euro strength. She curved like fib, I marked her length. Back test cold, but my heart on rest. Yacht hit waves, but the stats digest. Dubai high rise, wrist look fine. Chart like silk when she wind in time. Told her, baby, don't guess, just breathe. Price gon' come, just believe the speed.
Off the math, I ain't even here. Jet too loud, wrist too clear. Draw down fake, profit too real. They want the alpha, but they can't feel. Off the math, lost in charts. I bought that zone, then I bought that car. Ferrari wide like a weekly gap, and the field hit hard like a market slap. Off the weed, that's childish. Off the lean, that's broke. I'm off the math, and I'm still up.
I don't
rush, I don't chase no move. I watch you dance, let the moment improve. Body like prices got to align. You drop too fast, I won't press mine. You tempt like a wick at a fake breakout, but I see the fake, I be fade that route. You wind too close, I pull back slow. Girl, I wait till I know that glow. I see your zone, yeah, I mark that line. Body too sweet, gotta wait for the sign. Don't need hope,
Oh
just
shit.
give me time. When it's
I can never
right,
tell.
I'll
Was
make
this thing muted
it
again?
mine.
How often does this fucking happen?
Don't touch
And I'll lean back in this chair. I'm throwed in this chair.
but I'm still in check. One more tick, then I break that neck. Wait for the level, play
Oh, it was muted. How long?
too fast, I might let go, but hit that zone, then I let it blow. Precision love, you already know. Girl, you move like price in a tight range. One fake move, whole mood change. Don't FOMO, I don't guess. I wait for structure, then I press.
Interesting.
You grind too
It wasn't even. The switch is like kind of fucked apparently. Normally when it's red, it's muted, but sometimes it's mutes without switching red. I can't even fucking tell. But what?
Just give me time. When it's right, I'll make it mine. Wait for the level, don't touch it. Body say go, but I hedge that bet. Tell me close, but I'm still
Kind of annoying. I need to get a better mic. I need to get a better microphone. Let me mute this thing again. Yeah, like right there. Interesting.
Don't break the frame, hold steady, then drive me insane.
Wait for the level.
Don't touch yet, let the body speak, let the chart reset. We don't rush, we don't pretend, but when it's time, you'll know.
Or like drape it like this perhaps. Something like that. Either or, lots of different solutions for that problem. Or put my mix amp on this side of things. We'll see. When I need to set my other monitor, and then just change stuff around on my desk. Because I need to also rethink how I'm gonna plug it in, because I don't think it's gonna reach. I don't think it's gonna reach.
Balance moving and I barely click. Used to trying to scalp a dip.
Shout out to the math though.
Off the wick. Marcos. Private jet smell like code and cash. Didn't run no news, still caught that flash. She talking love, I'm talking stats. That fib hit deep, now I'm back in class. You press from fear, I slide on zones. Draw down tight like French cologne. Penthouse chart with a single tone, and that TP smack like a metro phone. Rolls Royce park like I own the curb. Back this run with the slurred out verbs. She curved like Price when it clips that top. She danced like entries, then pause, then drop off the math. I'm gone, eyes on low, but the trade's still on. Don't chase pumps, I let it come. Mark that range, then ghost like sun. Off the math, too clean. Clock took fills, I'm counting green. Got hit ways, but the drawdown lean. You trade dreams, I live routine. Monte Carlo code in the dashboard flash. She said you high, I set off math. I don't need weed, just need that graph. My signals hit like a carbon crash. Lambo curves in a mouthy cliffs. Jet on hold, she want that lift. Wrist too sweet, I sip that drip. AP face like candlestick wicks. You still long off broken bias. I got wrist set like autopilot.
God damn. God damn. I have to go to the gym soon. Are we gonna miss out on this shit? Braids were coiling up. Boy, don't piss me off. Don't piss me off.
I let it come. Mark that range, then ghost like sun.
Do not piss me off. I'm gonna be sitting there squatting with motherfucking bring my laptop. People think I'm crazy. 20 different exo chart tabs open, going crazy. Take over the sound system, start playing DJ Marcos AI at the gym. You already fucking know. You already fucking know. This fucking song kills me. Fire. The level is a level. Turn this bitch up.
Guess I understand. You trade feelings, I trade flow. You swing wild, I go slow. You chase pumps, I let them go. Then hit my level, take that glow. Chart said dance, so I made that move. Zone got kissed, now I'm in that groove. No hesitation, just that proof. Price don't lie, and I got the truth. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing right where price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stats. Math too smooth, now throw it back. She said, how you know when to go? I said, girl, the chart said so. She moved like price, that fib just hit. I swing that trade, then grip them hips. Golden pocket, that's her pace. Stop loss tight, no time to waste. Risk real light, reward insane. She ride my math, I ride the wave. Chart to dance, so I made that move. Zone got kissed, now I'm in that groove. No hesitation, just that proof. Price don't lie, and I got the truth. The math is the math, baby, that's the code. Hit that level, then I hit that mode. You trade hope, but I trade facts. And now we dancing right where price reacts. The math is the math, it don't pretend. Clean execution from start to end. You count stars, I count stats. Math too smooth, now throw it back. Numbers don't lie, they just lead. Follow that line, then plant the seed. Risk it all, now I let it breathe. Now price hits sweet like summer breeze.
And we're dancing where price reacts.
Now throw it back. No stress, no cap, just charts, beats, and math. Marcos.
We don't move too soon.
We win.
Off the level. Marcos.
Let's go. I don't rush, I don't chase no move. I watch you dance, let the moment prove. Body like price, gotta align. You drop too fast, I won't press mine. You tempt like a wicked.
We're starting to roll over here.
Fake, I fade that route. You wind too close, I pull back slow.
Been looking a little sus for a while. It kind of just upwards a wedge going on there.
Body too sweet, gotta wait for the sign.
A little sus.
Just give me time. When it's right, I'll make it mine. Wait for the level. Don't touch yet. Body say go, but I hedge that bet. Tempt me close, but I'm still in check. One more tick, then I break that neck. Wait for the level. Play that slow. You ride too fast, I might let go. But hit that zone, then I let it blow. Precision love, you already know. Girl, you move like price in a tight range. One fake move, whole mood change. I don't FOMO, I don't guess. I wait for structure, then I press. You grind too close, but I stay in frame. You tease like spread in a breakout flame. But I breathe, I pace, I plan this game. You call it love, I call it game. I see your zone, yeah, mark that line. Body too sweet, gotta wait for the sign. Don't need hope, just give me time. When it's right, I'll make it mine. Wait for the level, don't touch it. Body say go, but I hedge that bet. Send me close, but I'm still in check. One more tick, then I break that neck. Wait for the
Y'all got any motherfucking questions? We're about to go to the gym here in like 40, 50 minutes. I'm just gonna keep nerding on my laptop. Nerding out. Boy.
Hold steady, then drive me insane.
Wait for the lemon, don't touch it. Let the body speak, let the chart reset. We don't rush, we don't pretend. But when it's time, you'll know the end. Wait for the level, lock that zone. You move like math, I move in tone. We time it, perfect, trade for bone. This ain't love, it's the chart we own. She said, why you wait so long?
They net worth, that's my margin cap. I hit longs heavy like a sovereign tap. I don't chase trends, I bend the map. Made a meal off spreads while they took a nap. Private jet, I don't see no TSA. Charts up live while I land in Saint Tropez. Trade log look like CIA. Strategy clean, they don't play no games. Whole desk glow like a NASA bay. Quantine deep, I just say okay. Pull 10 figures out of chopping clay. All from math, they pray I slay. Using net worth as my margin. Traded one leg, now I'm charting. Whole block flex when I walk in. P&L thick is starving. Whips on Greeks, yachts on spreads. Buy side
30-minute candle coming soon. Hourly candle as well.
Wrist real tight, return gets fed. Volatility crush got me winning with peace. Steady decay while I'm sleeping in Greece. Delta stack like a Wall Street beast. Meanwhile they long in the highs in disbelief. They trade with dreams, I move with truth. Models run deep from the floor to the roof. Back to speak, I don't need no booth. Just black Suburbans and bulletproof proof. Spreads wide, I compress that quick. Flash the book, then I flip that trick. Max Payne hit, now they looking sick. I was short in the dark, they was buying wick. Yeah, using that word, that's my margin. Traded one leg, now I'm charting. Whole block flex when I walk in. P&L thick is starving. Whips on Greeks, yachts on spreads. Buy side moves when you beg for bread. I don't take breaks, I break they heads. Wrist real tight, return gets fed. Popping tags on Ivy Crush. Gained on dips they didn't touch. Bought your fear, then sold a hush. You want a trend, I want the flush. Floor seats paid by candle wicks. Your stop loss that paid my kicks. You got charts, I got logistics. You trade hope, I trade statistics. Margin call, that's a down day flex. Cleared 8 figs off butterfly decks. Whole exchange got me marked as a threat. They trade the now, I'm moving steps. Weeklies print like a money machine. Gamma got 'em moving like fiends. I'm in Geneva with tactical screens. They in discords with broken dreams. Yeah, the math is the math. They just in the path. I ain't even mad. I just use your cash. Got 'em. Yeah. Got 'em. Yeah. They net worth. That's my margin cap. I hit longs, heavy like a sovereign tap. I don't chase trends. I bend the map. Made a meal off spreads while they took a nap. Floor seats paid by candle wicks. Your stop loss that I paid my kicks. Your stop loss that I paid my kicks. You got charts, I got logistics. You trade hope, I trade statistics. Margin call, that's a down day flex. Cleared 8 figs off butterfly decks. Whole exchange got me marked as a threat. They trade the now, I'm moving steps. Weeklies print like a money machine. Gamma got 'em moving like fiends. I'm in Geneva with tactical screens. They in discords with broken dreams. Yeah. Yeah. The math is the math. They just in the path. I ain't even mad. I just use your cash. Got 'em. Got 'em. Yeah.
Marcos. No stress, no flinch. Just moves and maths.
Price hit zone on cue, and I don't even check the time. Chance move just like a wave. Calculated every line. Math in motion, wrist and ride. Profits drip like wine. Clean. No effort, I glide through trades. Monte Carlo, mind and shades. Lagos nights with London pace. Chart that dip, then ride that wave. Cuban Lincoln, Tokyo Tech. She wet like entries at Fib Respect. She bounce with levels I don't forget. So teach me the game, I just said math. I don't chase, I shift the floor. Algos work while I pour some more. You sweat your lot, I sip offshore. Your bias loud, mine built on core. Back test smooth like skin on tan. Wick so clean like the way she stand. She whine to the beat like the RSI. Pull back deep, then we touch the She love the way I move. I love the way she whine. Price hits on cue, and I don't even check the time. Charts move just like a wave. Calculated every line. Math and motion, wrist and ride. Profits drip like wine. Burner slow but skeptitone. Whiskey wave with a richer zone. She said, Marcos, you never moan. I said, why would I own the throne? Trade from a beach in Côte d'Azur. You grind for scraps, I print couture. She loved that brain, that calm allure. TP hit, then the bed get pure. Feel a view while you stress your fill. You chase high, but press then chill. Even her body move like a drill. Structure tight, I know the feel. Emotion is just design. She rides slow like profit line. One hand trades, one hand wine. She said, you too cold, I said rewind. The way I move, I love the way she whine. Price hits on cue, and I don't even check the time. Charts move just like a wave. Calculated every line. Math and motion, wrist and ride. Profits drip like wine. No stress, no guess. Just maths and motion. Marcos. Paper trading? You wish. It's the math. Marcos. They say I'm paper trading. Ha, that can't be real. Profit look too clean. Entry too ideal. Y'all got hope and vibe. I got stats and steel. Math so sharp it cut through glass. That's just how I feel. They say I'm paper trading. That must be fake. Said no one hit like that. That spread too straight. Said I don't even sweat. I marinate. Cashed out while you still clicking. Check the date. Gone.
Real account, no sim, no lies. P&L fat, don't blink, just rise. You stressing trays, I sip and vibe. You scout for hope, I chart and glide. Rose and gold, that's math on wheels. You on demo, I sign real deals. Draw down tight like a waist in heels. Wrist so cold, it don't even feel. They count my wins like I rigged the game. I count they L's, then pop champagne. They hold their bags and pray for rain. I TP once, then switch the
They say I'm paper trading. Yeah, that can't be real. Nah, profit look too clean. Entry too ideal. Y'all got hope and vibe. I got stats and steel. Math so sharp it cut through glass. That's just how I feel. They say I'm paper trading. That must be fake. Said no one hit like that. That spread too straight. Said I don't even sweat. No, I marinate. Cashed out while you still clicking. Check the date.
Penthouse trays in my Lambo shape. Too much proof for the hate you made. You watch my wallet like Bloomberg tape. You fake shocked, I just rotate. New watch, but I never post. New game, but I never boast. You post loss like it's a sport. I post silence, let math report. You pray it's fake cause you can't compete. You call it luck cause you can't repeat. I'm too chill, you too loud. I went once, you screamed.
They say I'm paper trading. Cap, that can't be real. Profit look too clean. Entry too ideal. Y'all got hope and vibes.
Entry 2 ideal, right? Entry 2 ideal? God damn.
They say I'm paper trading.
Say that in a second.
It must be fake. Said no one hit like that. That spread too straight. Said I don't even sweat. Nah, I marinate. Cashed out while you still clicking. Check the date.
This ain't paper. It's capital. It's coded. It's controlled. You mad cause the math got him.
Where's the testnet song? I kind of fuck with the testnet song too. Where's that thing? Where's that thing?
Yeah. You thought it was testnet now. It's real fun.
Well, the thing is testnet.
Real man.
Boy, sniping the pixel perfect, the bottoms, tops live and direct. Boy. Shout out to the motherfucking math.
No test net, cause I make it look too clean. Said no one get rich that fast. Must be similar demo scheme. I place that bid, I hit that TP. Now I'm somewhere you ain't seen. They trade with fear, I trade with cold. This price move bill off machine. Rolls outside and the seat still warm. Penthouse trades on my wrist got storms. They hit margin, I hit Milan. They need signals, I move calm. Balance real, them feels hit fast. You still pray, I back this pass. My edge live, no fake account. You click hope, I click amounts. They think it's test. But it's all real facts. Big trade hit, boom. Then I signed deals.
Don't get got, right? Don't get got. Don't get baited. Don't get baited.
Just chill. They can't believe it.
Don't get got.
The math too ill. They
What's the alarm went off? Wait, was this one?
It's just that tight. That stop too clean.
Not clean all the lows yet, though.
They said you simming. I said you dreaming. You stuck in beta. I'm out here scheming. Woke up clear 5 figures. Didn't even leave that villa. One click trade got triggered. Chart came down, I drill her. They think it's capped, I let them talk. While I withdraw the vaults and yachts. You post games, I post results. You hold hopes, I hold the pulse. Wrist on gold, book on stealth. Draw down low, account got health. They crowd forms, beg for help. I fake candles, print from wealth. Ain't no demo, this real depth. I don't bluff, I just press left. You see a wick, I see a check. You ride fear, I ride finesse. They think it's test. But it's all real. Live. Big trade hit. Bang. Then I sign deals. Done. Stress on charts. Them. I'm just chill. They can't believe it. Nah. The math too ill. They think it's fake. Nope. It's just that tight. That stop too clean. That entry's light. They said you simming. I said you dreaming. You stuck in beta. I'm out here scheming.
This ain't testnet. This ain't sim. This ain't luck. This is math. Marcos.
Damn, gotta go soon. Damn. How do the hourly close? Probably not too interesting, right?
She don't move for love. She moves for numbers. Golden entry. Marcos. Yeah. She arched like the fib retrace. Golden pocket, I find that place. Her body math, no room for waste. I trade slow, she matched that pace. She bounced back like a 0.5 move. EMA touch, she slip, she groove. Stop loss tight when she let me in. I risk a clean reward, Benson. Eyes on the chart, but she moaned my name. TP hit when I grip that frame. No emotion, just the game. But she come fast when I mark that range. Golden entry, she ride that wave so sensually. Golden entry, she pull me close when she hit TP. Golden entry, she roll her hips like price for me. Golden entry, all this math make her lose belief.
Risk of fine, we played that dance. She split that spread in red silk pants. One candle fake, she break then trap, then throw it back like she run that map. She don't beg, she calculates. Her hips don't lie, they oscillate. I press with calm, she activate. Now we both deep in that pivot state.
She don't talk, just signal right. She set that level, I click all night. Trade her body with trailing might. And close it clean before daylight. Golden entry, she ride that wave so sensually. Golden entry, she pull me close when she hit TP. Golden entry, she roll her hips like price for me. Golden entry, all
make her lose belief. She said don't stop till the chart complete. I said girl, this is price technique. No romance, just trend and heat. She said trade me, not treat me sweet. Golden entry, she bounced that move so millically. Golden entry, she chart my name like symmetry. Golden entry,
I'm fucking tired.
she wicked that
Sleep
dip
at
in
all.
right for me. Golden entry, I make a moan, the math is the key. Golden, precise, calculated love, just math, Marcos.
Marcos.
They say it's luck. Why are you lucky you're weak?
Penthouse view when I run them stats. Charts got lines like a marble slab. SL tuck, I let that blast. You chase pumps, I sit then snatch. Audemars face look frozen still. That trade hit clean, out of wrist got chills. They scream scan when I take the meals. But it's all from back this drills. Ferrari red, I drive with calm. You break even, I break on. Lambo parked outside the spot where I caught that wick on a London chart. They can't believe I made that flip off one fib zone and a measured wrist. You dream of gains I print and dip. Rose truck white like the TP wick. They can't believe the math. How the chart move clean like that. No drawdown, just pin stacks. No fake flex, I live like that. They can't believe the math. Think man luck than the yachts and plex. But it's all from the chart, no cap. That's penthouse views from candlebacks. Marble floors while I plot them zones. Super yacht Wi-Fi still on code. You got stress, I get paid then ghost. You scout for fun, I glide with pros. Hermes coat when I fade that wit. Gold RMs when I place that click. Woke up late, Trey still hit. You still crying, I cashed and dip. My edge ain't vibes, it's precision moves. Wrist on fire like Trey come through. Your lot too light, you beg for moons. I stacked and roll, I bend those rules. Lavish life off spreadsheet lines. Villa got floors and imported pine. You guess with hope, I time with pride. They see results, still can't decide. They can't believe the math. How the chart move clean like that. No drawdown, just pin stacks. No fake flex, I live like that. They can't believe the math. Think man luck than the yachts and plex. But it's all from the chart, no cap. That's penthouse views from candlebacks. It's always disbelief, cause they can't chart it, so they can't charge it.
Motherfuckers in disbelief.
I built marble off math.
Marble off math. I like that. I should make a song titled that. I like that. AI giving us more song ideas. Guys, we got some marble off the math. Boy.
Hey, talking
Shout out to the
charts.
math, shout out to DJ Marcos AI, shout out to all that good shit, as per usual. Y'all fucking with the math yet or no? You just don't believe it.
The math is the math. Don't care how you feel, just run the stat. You pray for pumps. I plan the path, you scout that wick. The math is the math. Yo, edge ain't real, that wrist too flat. I don't chase green. I stacked and dash. I said it before. And now you got smashed. Trade too clean. Set up cold. Candle tap, I enter bold. Stop loss tight, I'm in control. You over leverage, pay that toll. Risk per trade, I size that light. You size from hope, I size from right. Edge confirmed, I press at night. Wake up rich, you tweet your fight. No strategy, that's just noise. Back this week, you just a voice. I run that sim, I ride with poise. You trade regret, I trade with choice. The math is the math. Don't care how you feel, just run the stat. You pray for pumps. I plan the path, you scalp that wick. The math is the math. Yo, edge ain't real, that wrist too flat. I don't chase green. I stacked and dash, I said it before. And now you got smashed. Proper wrist to find. You guess the move, I read the sign. Your trade's a wish, mine's designed. I run the stats, then press rewind. Your whole
Oh my god, I'm so fucking tired. I need like 10 pre-workout scoops for this.
You hope for more, I built the game, gamma stacked. Delta loaded, your stop loss just exploded. I draw that zone, then I encode it. You fake conviction, I'm devoted.
It's not emotion. It's not hype. It's numbers. You lost because you never knew what you were even doing. The math.
care how you feel, just run the stat. You pray for pumps, I plan the path, you scalp that wick. The math is the math. Your edge ain't real, that wrist too flat. I don't chase green, I stacked and dashed. I said it before, and now you got smashed. No emotion, no guessing, just math. Marcos, got him.
Got him. Got him. Got him. Lower that a bit.
She don't move off vibes now. She move off Fibonacci. Golden pocket, baby, come ride the retrace with me. Oh. I see you watching from the 0.5, but I
Oh my god, how long am I gonna make it?
don't just move for any touch, but baby you rate me.
Thank God it's a long weekend.
Wait for pullbacks, I love that pace. You trace my curves
I'm
like a
exhausted right now, Jesus.
drop it low, right on the zone. That golden pocket, I call it home. I drop it low on the golden pocket. Marcos fix, you know I won't stop.
I'm about to go overdose on pre-workout at the gym. Quadruple scoop that bitch.
I dip you grip, yeah, you always lock it. Row 680, girl, I had to clock it. Wrist so tight, but the move so profit. Golden love in a golden pocket.
Gosh.
Yeah. I don't chase moves, I let them breathe. But you retrace like the air I need. Body aligned like fit precision. You hit that level, I make decisions. Confidence, hips and candles match. You signal clean, I strike the patch. EMA flow, girl, you
Question is, what do we do, y'all? I mean, quite likely we're gonna miss some of these trades if these moves happen the next hour or two. This thing is still going though, so that's juice. Still got our biddy long going, that's juice. Wouldn't be short in this unless we like lose this, right? Get in on that thing. Or the move up here, but we'll see what happens with that. See what happens with that. Fuck. These all look like they're itching to go lower though, yeah? These all look like they're itching to go lower. Little whore need to go lower right now. If this starts to roll over for real, yeah. And we're gonna be getting sweeping a lot of these lows.
I don't guess, I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Top long, but I'm sure that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your wrath.
Momentum's already been lost, yeah. Momentum has been lost for a while. So, a little sus, looking a little sus. Stop by doing this thing for a while over here. Been looking a little sus for a while. We're feeling not particularly bullish either, right?
Meanwhile, I print yachts off your wrath. Stop hunts me my chain, that's a fact. You full mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing while you crash. I said it once, the math is the math. You bought resistance, that's cute, bro. I told the other side.
How's the order book looking? What's cooking in the order book? Not a whole lot.
I catch that flight, you revenge trade. I sleep at night, you scalp noise. I chart precision.
Oh, wow.
Dreams fund my decisions. Delta stacked, I see the lean. My P&L's fat, your screen's just green, but that green turns red. Then you cry. I'm sipping Bordeaux while you ask why. Math don't lie. but you do. You chase pumps, I move through. Your margin cool, buys me suits. Your liquidation paid my pool. I don't guess I don't pray, I do math. Golden pocket entry, run it back. Top long, but I'm short, that's your path. Meanwhile, I print yachts off your rafts. Stop hunts for my chain, that's a fact. You 4 mode high, man, that's a trap. Options printing, why you crash? I said it once, the math is the math. From Fibonacci to Black Skull's dreams. I don't chase, I scheme. Wall Street, scared of the king. And retail, you just fuel the machine. Got him.
Yeah, you glued to 6 screens. I'm glued to the sunroof. Marco.
This cluster, it's the very first thing we talked about at the start of the stream, right? This cluster of price action right here, there's just so many longs and shorts open right here, right? So if we start to go above all the shorts on there, start to go below all the longs on there. So everyone's just fighting for this fucking zone right now. We're just sitting here going band for band in the order book, right? Bulls and Bears fucking pulling up the Louis bags, racks, throwing them in the air, right? Just fucking blowing racks, blowing millies. Who's gonna run out of money first? The question. We're just sitting here waiting and watching. Good thing we're already positioned though, right? We're already positioned. Let our shooters get in the order book and deal with this shit. Shooters in the book, no gap. Where's that song? Actually, we'll leave this. I fuck with this. Who the fuck just called me? Whoops. Missed the phone call. Oops.
6 green rig, you beg for green. I place my trade, then hit cuisine. You hold that loss like it's your twin. I sell that pump, then cash and grin. Villa breeze while I watch you drown. You glued the flow, I flip the crown. You fight for scraps, I flip whole towns. Your stop loss scream, that's bound sound. Don P by the hot tub, mouth still click. You on caffeine, you're tweaking quick. I'm 3 grams deep, trade still hit. Your RR trash, that's why you slip.
The wired in like it's life or death. I'm high as hell and still winning. You call that dedication, I call it desperation. Wait, then I'm bothered, still run trades. Woke up late, still caught that way. You overthink, I overlay. TF sweats while I sunbathe. Penthouse view, same hands.
Band for band in the book. I'm just sitting here yawning over and over. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna start sipping on some of this pre-workout now, to be honest, because if I can fall asleep driving to the gym. Let's get juiced up. Get something hype going. Need some fucking energy, right? Let's get fucking hype. We'll put the order book band song, actually. Speaking of the devil, right? Go band for band in the book, no gap.
You see them flinch when I Q-size. They clock my tag, then cancel twice. Big spread shot, not retail mice. Marcos in the book, roll the dice. Yeah. You see them flinch when I Q-size. They clock my tag, then cancel twice. Big spread shot, not retail mice. Marcos in the book, roll the dice. Yeah, we could ban for a band in the book, no cap. Size so fat, made the whole tape snap. They saw my lot, then never came back. One tick deep, now they stuck in trap. We could ban for a band, but they don't want that. Limit so clean, made the wick collapse. Bugatti blue with the matte wrap black. Rare AP cost more than a stack. PLC fight, I post and pull. Iceberg hidden, I bait like bull. Flash that lot, then film it full. They hit one side, I clear it all. Trading the jet, fly charts in air. Private runways, Turkish chair. They press long, I fade with flair. TP spank, now they cry unfair. Liquidity sweep, then I reappear. Phantom fills, they feel that fear. Message rate high, but I stay chill. Why chase pumps, I mint the thrill. Yeah, we can ban for a band in a book, no cap. Snap the top, then I let it slap. Size so fat, make the whole tape snap. One flash, they ain't coming back. We can ban for a band, but they don't want that. Limit so clean, made the wick collapse. Bugatti blue with a matte wrap black. Rare AP cost more than a stack. Yeah, who's that there with a 10 lot blinking? Marcos tag, now they rethinking. My flows move markets, I shift flow. You hold for weeks, I swing one blow. Yacht in Greece, chart on screen. Order flow talking is whispering green. Wrist roll tight, edge unseen. They fight the king, that's pure routine. Lamb in lime, wrist on frost, that rare Daytona. Ain't no cost. Trade too rich, their edge got lost. I'm not in a race, I already bossed. Yeah, we can ban for a band in a book, no cap. Fade that move, then double back. Size so fat, make the whole tape snap. Delta flip, now watch it crack. We can ban for a band, but they don't want that. Chart too clean, no need to act. Rare petite, no auction tag. Marcos print while the whole crowd lag. It ain't about ego, it's math. But if they wanna go level for level, I wrote the in levels. Band for band, I'm still here. They're still gone. Got 'em.
The new 3 Drive song. Fuck it, right?
First move.
Shout out to the 3 Drives. Waiting on a bunch of those right now, actually.
Second
right? Bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing, bing.
Strong, but the third. But the third.
But the third. Shout out to the imaginary trend line. You can draw this properly.
First two bait, third one time. They all long, gotta let 'em hide.
Bing. There we go, right? Ding, ding.
3 taps, it's never luck. They pop off, I press start. You see trend, I see time.
Shout out to the imaginary trend line.
Saw the first, didn't blink. Second push, chart, don't think. They call break, or I call bait. Draw that fib, then I wait. Candle stack, crowd gets loud. Top get chased, I move proud. No rush, no need to guess. Third drive hit, I clean that mess. She said that reversal, I said watch. Zone lined up like a gold wristwatch. One last wick, then the whole thing flip. They scream trend, I just let that rip. I'll wait for the third drive. First two bait, third one dive. They all long, I let 'em hype. Then I load up, zone a snipe. 3 taps, it's never luck. They pop off, I press up. You see trend, I see time. Tick. 3 drives deep, then comes mine. Pen too old, they still miss. They want heat, I want bliss. She said how you chill mid move. I said I map this candle groove. Every impulse got a script. Every fake out got a twist. Every setup got a grave. And third drive, dig it slick. Chart roll slow, but the wrist not low. He jumped in, I let it go. We came up, then snap below. 3 strikes hitting, now they know. Not the first, not the second. Wait for it. That third one kills. Last that laser drive. Marcos all I have.
This is looking so sus, right? Like this whole like from.
I'll wait for the third drive. First two bait, third one dive.
I haven't closed above the 0.5 once. Not once.
Then I load up, so no snipe.
Oh, we're gonna be doing one of these.
3 taps.
right at this level. So very curious to see if we hold the value area low and the VWAP or not. Looking a little sus for the bear bulls right now, they'll say that. Looking a little sus. I suspect that this world thing's gonna get stopped at break even. Maybe we'll move up the stop a little bit just to get some profit out of that thing, right? Some juice. Actually, let's do that for sure. Before I leave to the gym. At least make use out of that big so perfect bottom entry. Won't put it too high though. We'll give it a chance to breathe, right? In case it does actually like kind of hold from here. Not guaranteed to roll over. We are still sitting here, so.
Drive one fake, drive two bait, drive three tap, that's checkmate. 3-step math, one clean breath. They rushing, I'll wait for death. Drive one hope, drive two trap, drive three snap, I fade that map. Coast. Ay, drive one fake, drive two bait, drive three tap, that's checkmate. 3-step math, one clean breath. They rushing, I'll wait for death. Drive one hope, drive two trap, drive three snap, I fade that map. Coast. Ay. Impulse come or stay still. Retrace back, I load that fill. Second move, they think it's clear, but I see pattern, I see fear. Trendline rise, I trace that slope. They call breakout, I call cope. Third time hit that wig too clean. TP land, I move unseen. CD dry, RS, I roll. They want trend, I want control. You want hype, I want time. You want flash, I try to clear. Drive one fake, drive two bait, drive three tap, that's checkmate. 3-step math, one clean breath. They rushing, I'll wait for death. Drive one hope, drive two trap, drive three snap, I fade that map.
I was gonna leave this shit on while I'm at the gym, to be honest. Quickly pull up here and just kind of check this shit out. I don't want to do that.
Drive one hope, drive two trap, drive three snap, I fade that map. Coast. They don't wait, I don't chase. They want fast, I want space. They want pump, I want plan. I see levels, they see land. Their legs stretch, that's my cue. Volume fake, direction true. No emotion, no delay. Click that feel, walk away. No alerts, just symmetry. Their move hit, that's history. You call feels, I call range. You
Until like 5:36ish though. We'll be back, we'll be back afterwards.
They rushing, I'll wait for death. Drive one hope, drive two trap, drive three snap, I fade that map. Coast. 3 touches, no talk.
For anyone that's in here lurking, for any of your lurkers, right? You already know the plan, right? You know the plan. You know the plan for the shorts up in this region. You know put the potential short if we come back down to this region. Potential long down here as well, right? Right. If not, levels down here of interest, etc. Maybe we come sweep all this stuff and just bink bink. Lots of different ways to play this thing as per usual, right? Just make sure you manage risk. Don't get got. And yeah, we'll be back. We'll be back in a bit. I'm gonna go work out real quick, get some energy. Buy some food, right? Go to the grocery store, buy some food. Because I'm literally got nothing left except oatmeal at this point. So we're gonna re-up on the food, right? Reload the clip. I'll be back at it for the rest of the evening. Hopefully we come back to this world thing not stopped out. I doubt it. Looking suspicious to me, but yeah. I'll run this playlist back from the top and head on out of here for now.
She bounced once, you pressed twice. Stop, gone. Marcos. Yeah, I got 'em, no chase, no stress. Stop, got tap, now they clean that mess. Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Just place that level, market, did the rest. You got, now you tweeting regrets. I sip slow, I collect these sets. You want hype, I want that depth. I don't blink, I prep, then step. Late night zone, marked in gold. Candle touch, then story fold. You said breakout, I said trap. Price came back, you took that slap. Watch your chart, all full of lines. None of them real, none of them mine. Mine just sit, breathe like silk. Yours just scream, mine just built. they press green, I press calm. They want rush, I want charm. They want loud, I want plan. You want moon, I hold land.
Yeah, I got no chase, no stress. Stop, got tap, now they clean that mess. Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Just place that level, market, did the rest. You got, now you tweeting regrets. I sip slow, I collect these sets. You want hype, I want that depth. I don't blink, I prep, then step. Price dance wild, I don't flinch. You felt FOMO, I felt inch. Entry slow, exit rich. You saw wick, I saw switch. You want flash, I want rhythm. You want now, I plot with wisdom. They rush in, don't survive. I plant lines, mine come alive. POC shift, I lean back. Value area high, I timed that trap. They got hit, full size drop. I didn't speak, I just watched.
You don't see it when it's quiet. You only feel it when it breaks.
Too late.
Me, I move like a shadow. You move when
Yeah,
you
I got
should.
no chase, no stress. Stop, got tap, now they clean that mess. Didn't say much, I don't need to guess. Just place that level, market, did the rest. You got response. That's what happen when you rush. Cool. You got response. I just faded with a hush. I stay ready. You stay loud. You caught feelings. I caught feels. Marcos.
You came back. Same chart, same song, same face. Marco Ghost Flex. You got gal, I didn't learn. Just hit send, press reverse, clean with bend. Now you hold me that end. You got gan and new trade, same mistake, same trend. Said you changed, but that's pretend. I don't chase, I just extend. I fade the high, you call that moon. I call that trap, you call too soon. You want breakout, I want logic. You want green, I want profit. We came quick, then sweep so cold. You start scream loud, my hell gold. Same move hit, same face shown. You still guessing, I still zone. You reload pain, I reload plan. You still press, I still stand. I stay small, you go all in. You got again and again. You got didn't learn. Just hit send, price reverse, clean with bend. Now you hold me that end. You got and new trade, same mistake, same trend. Said you changed, but that's pretend. I don't chase, I just extend. No risk plan, just FOMO thrill. No edge drawn, just hope to fill. You mark noise, I mark still. You bet candle, I build skill. TP tagged and silence hits. I roll out gas, you post fits. One more trade, one more loss. One more time, I let you cross. Same zone hit, same fear show. Same regret in the candle glow. You want hype, I want stealth. You burn fast, I print wealth. Cut you. Again. Same button, same burst, same chart, but worse. Same push, no verse. You fall, I don't curse. You got again, didn't learn. Just hit send, price reverse, clean with bend. Now you hold me that end. You got again, new trade, same mistake, same trend. Said you changed, but that's pretend. I don't chase, I just extend. It wasn't personal. It was mad. You got again. Marcos.
Dash line yellow. They say it's fake. Till they liquidate. Marcos.
Imaginary lines, that's what they say. What? Till price tap twice and fades away. They pressing heat, I mark in gray. Chalk out hard, I paint that play. Dash line glow, they call it luck.
Price bounce clean, they stuck in muck. I don't draw dreams, I chart design. And they still mad at imaginary lines. They don't believe, but they get clipped. Price hit once, then double dip. Line from Monday, still him fry. Pixel perfect, and they ask why. Yellow dash with silent threat. I don't redraw, I place and let. You post vibes, I post fills. You chase breakouts as I set kills. Line got tagged, they called it glitch. Next move came, I got rich. It ain't random, it's routine. You dream candle, I dream me. Read 'em. Imaginary lines, that's what they say. What? Till price tap twice and fades away. They pressing heat, I'm marking gray. Chalk out art, I paint that play. Dash line glow, they call it luck. Price bounce clean, they stuck in muck. I don't draw dreams, I chart design. And they still mad at imaginary lines. Plot that level, no emotion. Price went back like I stirred ocean. You long breakout, I low slow. Your green wick, my short blow. They saw top, I saw test. They saw pump, I saw rest. They want chaos, I want code. They get wrecked, I just reload. Dash line from last week's close.
Actually, we're back. I'm gonna turn this off because I'm gonna have my laptop with me at the gym, and if I need to do anything on TradingView, it's gonna like leave the stupid box here saying like, oh, another session is active. I'm not gonna be able to close it. So if you're here, this is the juice, right? This is the juice box. We'll be back in around this time. Shout out to Future, right? Shout out to Future is here. Only one yapping in the chat. Not much of a yap, but we'll shout out anyways. And I'll be back in a bit. I'm gonna turn this thing off for now.